Mhm.
All right, can you guys hear me now? Let me know. I just realized, oh shit. Okay, can you hear me now? I just realized I was using the wrong microphone. Oh shit. All right. You guys can hear me now. Thank you. Oh my God, all right. As you guys could tell, we do not normally stream, but okay, I guess I'll start from the beginning. All right, I'll start from the beginning. Jojo, please bear with me here on that. So, all right. So, now that we're here, let me go ahead and explain what the hell we're doing. All right, so guys, today's a special day. Our entire Royal Skies community has been invited to test out Tripo and go ham with it. Literally just go crazy, see what we can do, see how good it is, see what needs to be improved. We have been chosen to basically just try things out, stress test it, and give feedback, and just kind of go ham with it, which I think is great. And the other part of it, which makes it really cool, is we have actually one of the developers of Tripo here with us live stream. Literally, just in case we get lost, or if we aren't sure how to use the software, or if they want to, or if they just have any advice for like how to get the best results from the software, it's like really, really, really rare to have the dev next to you for the software that you're using. Like, could you imagine if we were like, if you were doing Blender and then you had a question and you just had a Blender dev like literally on voice call, like giving you advice on like what you could do, what button to press and so on. Well, that's what we have right here. We're on Tripo and we have a Tripo dev right here in the voice chat. And so I'm gonna go ahead and let her take it away. If you wanna go ahead and introduce yourself, Jojo, what your company's about, who you are, and anything that you want the community to know, go ahead and take it away.
Okay. Nice to meet you all. My name is Josephine, and I can also go by with Jojo, and I come from Tripo AI's team. Basically, Tripo AI is a 3D AI fundamental model that we can generate 3D models based on a single image input or the text input. But but we can do a lot more now, such as like model segmentations, auto rigging, animations, and add HD textures to your model, a lot of that. So ultimate goal of Triple is to become everyone's all-in-one workspace, so that we can just explore more possibilities in 3D to release, everybody's creativity. Yeah, that's pretty much all. I think there are more features inside the website, rather than I just introduced it. So I'm pretty excited that everybody can get a test on Triple and, to give us some feedbacks and insights from all of the industries in 3D.
Nice.
Yeah, that's all.
All right. Well, thank you so much for taking your time to be here with us today. I'm just gonna go ahead and set up my screens so that we can actually start testing stuff. And okay, well, okay, I'm just gonna read some comments real quick before we go on. Professional YouTuber, yeah, I just couldn't get the mic set up for like the first 30 seconds, but Befuddle says, I'm excited. Hey, I'm excited too, man. And Kaito-san, to Tripo Dev, how did you source your training data? That's a good question. We will let her answer that as soon as we get started. So let me start to generate something, and then while it's generating, we'll take all these different kinds of questions. And so just hold that thought for just a second. Real quick, Jojo, can you please walk me through what's the process here? I think you said, let me turn my mouse cursor on. Okay, let me share my screen. You can see what I'm doing, right?
Yep.
All right. So we are on, is this the right screen that we're supposed to be on?
Yes, it's in workspace, so I think it is.
Okay, all right.
Can you go back to the last page?
Sure, yeah. This one?
Yes, this one. This one is our home page, so that you can just describe your idea here, or to like, yeah. And this is our gallery. So our community members will just upload the models, and then that they want us to share. And then we also have weekly challenges to give us a prompt, and then we can just based on that prompt to generate anything you would like to share.
That's actually kind of insane. I'm actually seeing some that like look really, really cool here. And so like anything on this front page, you like, we can literally just go ahead and test this. Okay. You guys have definitely made a lot of progress, like ever since the last time I tried it out.
I think this is the oldest version because we just updated once yesterday.
Mm-hmm. Right. I see
so
you
we
guys
can
are
check
doing
about these super
the Halloween
textures.
Okay. Well,
Yeah.
I guess since we're testing out like just like the whole thing here. I mean, like let's just try this from the home screen here. Like so, like we just type whatever we want to do here. Like I'm trying to think.
Yeah, and also you can upload image.
We'll do that next. I just want to see how it does on the describe idea first. Chat, what do you want to see? Like, I'll let you guys have first pick. What's our idea what's our first generation on the stream? Go ahead and like whatever you're feeling like. Let me know in the chat, and we'll just pick like the first one. We got a Code Commander says a witch girl draw an ice cream dragon cyberpunk cipher. All right. Yeah, okay. I think humans are going to be really, really hard. We're going to probably try that towards the middle of the stream. But so we'll get to the witch girl later. There's like a running gag in my community for those of you who don't know that like witches are my personal weakness. They're just awesome, and all of my art in the background almost always has giant hat witch girls in the background. But so we'll get to that later. But let's try. I really like the ice cream dragon. Let's go with an ice cream dragon. Okay, all right. Let's just say an adorable. What flavor are we going for? Jojo, what's your favorite flavor ice cream?
Vanilla.
Vanilla? No way. Really? Like?
Yeah, it's true.
Oh my god.
We give him.
All right.
Let's just give AI a hard one.
No, we're going. No, you said vanilla. We're going vanilla. But I'm gonna add my favorite, which is cookies and cream. Vanilla.
Okay.
Cream, ice cream, dragon. All right, an adorable, small, cute vanilla. You know, we'll take out the cookies and cream. And I spelled ice wrong. Ice cream dragon, 35 credits. Let's go. Oh wait, I can't press enter. All right, that would be my first feedback, I guess. It'd be nice if you could just press enter and, and have it go. But I'll press the button. And do you know about like how about how long does it take for the stuff to go?
Yeah, normally it's about like 1 minute, 2.
Okay.
Depends on the traffic.
How many can I upload more than one?
Sure. The upload 3D models is actually you can upload anyone, in your assets. Just randomly upload some models from Blender you just made.
And
then we can texture it.
You can just texture a model that I made, really? Okay, hold on. But we can go back and do more than one thing here, right? Okay, well hold on. There's some other. We're gonna read a few more. All right, matcha ice cream dragon. Pistachio ice cream dragon is another one that I saw. We're gonna try that too.
Actually, you can try in this page as well. No, in the workspace page.
Really?
In the workspace. Yes, like from the left hand, you can see there's one click and also build and refine. So by one click, you generate a model that already with a texture on it. But with build and refine, you can generate a mesh first, see the geometry and to do the poly count management. And then once you are satisfied, then you can add a texture specifically.
Really? So you guys actually you added the ability for the texture to be layered on separately? Like...
True.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. And then by text to 3D, actually we were linked to like GPT and also Nano Banana. You can try. Just click the image and text to 3D part.
All right, let's try it out.
Yes.
Also,
and then you can see.
Okay, all right.
You can see where you're using Flux at this moment.
So we can literally just start uploading our own images and stuff?
Anything. Yes.
Okay, all right. Well, here's what's gonna happen, guys. I'm going to upload like 1, 2, maybe 3 different images just to try it out. And once we kind of get the hang of it, I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna move to the VC where all of you guys are, and then you guys can literally share any images you want me to try in the VC with me, all right? So let me solo this for like a little bit for like 1 or 2 props, and then I'm gonna hand it over to you guys, and we're gonna go ham, all right? So let's try something simple. I always like to start. I think it's fair when I'm testing new software to try and make it to where it's like doable. Like let's start with the easy stuff just to see if we can do it, and then we'll go and see what we're doing. All right, so we have I put in a crate. And is there anything I have to do? There's a lot of settings here.
There is a really cool feature called generate multi-views. So you only have one image, right?
Yes.
If you click generate multi-views, then we will generate the multi-views for you.
Oh,
on the image.
Shit, really?
Then you can automatically have the left side view, right side view, back side view.
Really?
And then you can use multi-view generation so that you will have more control over the model. then you don't get messed up in the back.
So it generates the side. Okay, so we upload one image and it does this automatic. Oh shit, that's awesome. Okay. That's actually kind of tight.
And then,
okay, all right. Not gonna lie, that's kind of wild. Also, I see my chat is kind of on the left side of the screen, and it's kind of hard to read. So I'm gonna move you guys a little bit, like here. All right, is that better? Can you guys kind of see what you're talking about? Because I want you guys to be able to read this shit too. All right. So we're gonna generate this. Okay, so let's say now we have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 views. So guys, if any of you guys have your own character art that you have multiple views from, get them ready so that when I go to the VC, we can actually try them out and just kind of see how good this is and what needs to be worked on. But all right. So all right, Jojo. So walk me through this. We got our 4 views. What settings do we need to have to get like a good result?
Use Ultra version.
Ultra version.
Mesh.
Okay.
Mesh resolution Ultra, and then it depends if you want it to be smart low poly, if you want to generate them in parts, because if you do, then we will automatically segment the model.
For now, so I'm assuming the 3D part stuff, the generate in parts would be for our 3D
printing.
The 3D printing guys,
yes.
Right? Okay, so personally, I don't do a lot of 3D printing, but I'm pretty sure some people in my community do, so we'll try that out once we move to VC. But for now, let's just do smart low poly, or actually, what is smart low poly? What happens when we turn it on, and what happens when we don't turn it on?
It will automatically reduce your poly count.
Okay.
And in a really good way.
In a good way?
Yes.
Can we see what it looks like when we do both? So let's do smart low poly on first. We'll generate. And then can I also see smart low poly off and generate? Or is that too much at the same time?
No, it's okay. Just down, and there's the assets part. Okay, now I see a lot of flaws in our product. We don't have, we didn't label all the signs.
Well, hey, now you know. Where did my stuff go? So, because I know we had some other models loading, but I can't find them.
Yeah, down there, there's a clock, right? There is a clock, the first one. Sorry. The first one.
Oh,
the box one.
At the top here?
No. No, history, and then the left one, and then the left one.
Assets.
Okay, assets.
You might want to make that easier.
Oh, your vanilla model is ready.
Oh, wait. Hey, guys. Vanilla ice cream dragon, you ready?
Just click on that, and then...
Okay, it says it's coming up. It's almost done. We also have a matcha ice cream dragon that says it's ready too, so we'll hopefully be seeing it pretty soon.
I think you can just click on the vanilla ice cream dragon, and then it will appear to be that page. Okay.
Yo, this is kind of cute actually.
But it's yeah.
It's got floating stuff, but I mean, it literally looks like a smoothie dragon from McDonald's with guys. It literally has it created an ice cream cone as a unicorn horn, Yo! Oh my god! Wait. Can we 3D print this from your website?
Yes.
What? I can send this to somebody? All right. You're gonna have to show us how to do that later on. But yo, this is crazy. All right. I'm not. How do we see the polygon stuff? Because I think we can see the polygons, right?
Yes, you can just try everyone. Okay. You can just try it. Yeah, this is
nice. Okay, flat mode. Normal mode.
Wait.
Okay, so we got. So does it come with normal maps when we export?
Yep.
Nice. Okay. Where's the polygon? Interesting. I remember. Wait, is it up here?
Yeah, I remember as well.
There used to be ways to see the. I mean, we can always export it and figure it out ourselves. But okay, we go back to assets. Let's see the matcha ice cream dragon though. Yeah, the unicorn ice cream. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. This is. A matcha ice cream dragon, guys. It literally went full Asian on this because matcha, right? Like,
Yep.
yeah, this is cool. I'm not gonna lie. Okay. Well, if you get the chance, Jojo, if you remember how to see the wireframe so that we can actually see the polygons, that'd be super useful. In the meanwhile, I'm just gonna continue to just check out what the hell is being generated here because this is kind of cool. All right. Matcha ice cream dragon. All right, guys. Again, if you have any other ideas, just drop them down in the chat because we are here to just kind of go crazy and test it out. Oh wait, hold on. I got our box done. Maybe.
Just build and refine, so we don't have texture yet.
I see. Oh.
So you only build. Yeah.
Okay, so build and refine doesn't give you color. Oh, so here's.
Yeah.
Okay, gotcha. So this is actually kind of nice. Let's see. Oh, so we can turn wireframe off. So this is. I'm not gonna lie, guys. Your topology for at least simple objects, it got a lot cleaner.
Pretty good.
Like it's actually flat now instead of kind of mushy. And like you could easily go into Blender or ZBrush and clean up the topology, like, so it's not like that big of a deal. The important part is getting the shape right, and you guys are definitely doing that. Somebody befuddled wants a mouse night. You know, let's try that. Let me generate one. Let's see. If we go
to one click.
One click. Okay. And how do
Yes,
I
and then it will give you the texture.
Oh, if we generate it again?
Yep.
Okay, let's try
so
that.
There are two ways. Like for one click, you just automatically get the textures and also get the mesh. If you want to build and refine, just to make sure step by step, then you can just generate the mesh first, and then the texture, and then the segmentations, or rigging.
Yeah, okay, well, and I know that like the
rigging.
A
hard one.
Yeah, the rigging is tough, but okay, man. There's actually you've added so much stuff since the last time I tried it. Like it's kind of crazy.
Yeah.
All right. This is good. This is what we asked for. Okay. So that was the smart low poly. It looks like the other one is almost ready. Oh, you can actually see it thinking. That's kind of cool. That's so cool. Like now there's actually something interesting to look at while you're waiting for it to be done. Let's see. Yeah, the low poly wasn't toggled. Yeah, that we'll probably have to mess with that, especially a little bit more once we get to that point of trying your guys' stuff. But wow, there's like so many things. All right, so okay, so I see we have HD texture on. Does that mean that when this is finished, it's going to be textured?
Yes, but I don't think you successfully clicked the generation part because you lost your input.
Uh-oh. Okay.
Right?
Yeah, I mean, like, it seems to be stuck.
Oh, it's still generating. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Just refresh the page. I don't know.
Oh, is that a thing? Just
I hate.
All right. Still.
I hate it.
Okay.
It's just rendering. It's just rendering, guys.
You guys heard it from the source. Just refresh the page if you're not happy. Like it might show up later.
Sorry.
No, that's a real problem for every software. So it's all good. All
Yeah.
right. I'm gonna try a few more things and then we'll go to the chat.
Don't use build and refine. Just use one click, and then you will have the texture, and then we can save more time.
All right. Let's not use build and refine. One click, and then ultra, and then smart low poly we want on, and HD textures we want on. I see there's like a poly count thing here.
Yeah, you can just control.
So if I say we want this to be, what does auto do? Like
default.
What is default?
It will give you the perfect one that AI think. If AI think that's the perfect one for your needs, and then he will give you this.
Okay, well let's try auto.
So yeah.
And then we'll also try I do want to see if I just want 1,000 polygons, how good does it do?
Okay.
All right, let's go to 1,000 polygons. And we'll try and generate that too, just to see, because I'm curious.
But to be
And
honest, you really, give me like an easy one.
I know we're
This
starting
is
easy. Don't worry.
this is really easy.
Don't
Okay,
worry.
okay,
We're gonna
okay,
get my
okay,
community is gonna throw you some crazy stuff. Don't worry. Like we're
okay.
gonna like. All right. Let me get to the chat while we're waiting. The box looks like it's oh shit. I think you're right. Yay, we got our box finished. Okay.
Still,
Interesting. It turned it
what's
into
this?
a circle almost.
Why?
But it
But we didn't change.
I honestly forgot what we changed, but it definitely
Yeah.
has like more polygons and stuff, and I think the other one was a little bit more accurate, whatever that setting was. But yeah, because the first one,
Hmm.
honestly, well, whoops, I didn't mean to click that. This one turned out really nice. Like,
Yes.
let's see, yeah. And let me Toledo Games Jr. Hey guys, good to see you on live stream. I don't understand English, but I'll stay here and watch a video. Bro, Toledo, thank you so much for dropping by. If you don't speak English, don't worry. You can see the screen. I think 3D is universal, so you're good, man. You're good. Let's see. Your English is fine, man. Yeah, bro, you're good. The Canadian Wayne, organic characters are the real challenge when it comes to good topology. That is true, and we're gonna be trying that really soon. So just stay tuned. I'm about to open the floor to you guys, the community, and that's when things are gonna get pretty crazy, probably. All right, let's check real quick to see how the easy stuff is going. And I'm not gonna lie though, the vanilla ice cream dragon, this is so cute. I could 3D print this and give it to my mom.
Really?
Like, I
Really?
could totally see myself like sending this to somebody and they would love it. Like, this is fun. I know it's not like, let me see, we can't see the topology and it's probably more for like 3D printing and stuff. But again, we can easily fix the topology in like another software, so that's not like a super big deal.
I think I kind of know the reason why you cannot see.
Oh yeah, why?
Because you generated from our homepage, right?
I guess so.
Now I'm seriously doubting what kind of, which algorithm that they're using. But if you do it again, to put the vanilla ice cream dragon again in the one-click generation, I think it should be.
It'll be better. All right, we'll try that before we go to the VC then. All right, so this is the 1,000 polygon chess piece, the bishop piece, and I am seeing we do not have textures, or do we? Is it textured? I don't think it's textured.
I think it's texture.
I don't know how to turn the textures back on. Oh, okay, there we go. It's fair. I mean, like, okay, so it lost its metallicness. If we smoothened it out, then I'm pretty sure it would look a lot more smooth. But honestly, so this is like one of the I guess the early feedbacks I would give you guys is it seems like low poly on simple objects is overcomplicated a little bit. Like, so for example, it'd be really like if we were in Blender, right? So I'll just do a super lazy mesh, cylinder, shade smooth. Okay, not that smooth. Auto smooth. All right. And then if we wanted to, just do a shape kind of like this, subdivision. I think Blender. Go down. All right. So if we were doing something like this, and it's really trying to kill me on these curves. There we go. So like, you can kind of see how if we were trying to, let's just say, like, model this the old-fashioned way, like manually in an actual 3D software, we're not actually using a lot of points, right? Like, we're just kind of we're just using, like, I don't know, what does it say here? My poly count 400, 444 triangles, 194 faces. Okay, so you can see how like you can get a shape like this in like 100, you know. Oh wait, 800 faces. Okay, so yeah, for 800 faces, it should still be pretty smooth and simple, right? I think Tripo's Tripo, when it goes into stuff like this, you can kind of see well, I think it's just because it's triangulated. Maybe that's why. But whatever, you guys maybe want to like ask your engineers to get some ideas to like just make sure that when you have like a simple object like this, which is clearly like supposed to be uniform throughout, you know, you don't necessarily have to make it like crazy, right? And you can still make it smooth. Also, I'm not sure.
To be honest, it's a little bit weird right now, and yeah, I'm a little bit embarrassed right now, but I don't know what happened. So just like,
Okay, no.
I don't know if it's just because it's like a really simple object, but I'm a little bit embarrassed right now because we've tried like a lot of, fantastic models like yesterday before we went on our new version.
That's why we check the easy stuff too, So all right.
Okay.
It's okay. It's all right. This is how software improves. We're finding. I told you, like, we're probably gonna break some things here, but that's like the point. Yeah. Okay. So, I think let me just check. It looks like that was the only one that we kind of went to. I'm gonna go ahead and try one more, and then we're gonna go to the chat. Let me go back to. I'm gonna throw in something that's like actually somewhat okay. All right. Let's throw in a shield. I feel like shields are awesome. And you said there was a trick to get it multi-viewed. How did you do that?
Yes. Generate multi-views.
Where? Oh, I see it. I'm retarded.
Yes.
Okay, hold on. All right. I think this is actually one of the coolest features you guys have. Like, just the ability to generate multiple views is kind of crazy.
Yeah. And then I might know the reason why the vanilla ice cream dragon it's not that ideal, because we were doing it in our homepage. If you do it in one click, you just enter your word prompt. Okay.
We'll try the ice cream dragon one more time, because it seems like you want to redeem yourself on that one. So
yes,
we'll go
yes, please.
All right. Well, sure. We'll do that. Well, let's try this first. And okay, it might get confused because it like doubled the size of the shield, which it should look like this, kind of on both sides.
Yeah.
But let's just, we're not trying to get things perfect here. So is there anything else we need to do? Smart low poly, HD texture,
off.
Topology quads for sure, and poly count auto. All right. So while we're generating that, let's give you a chance to redeem yourself on the ice cream dragon. Where do you want to go?
Thank you. Just clear the image here. Just clear the image here.
Clear the image here. So here.
Yeah. Delete. Yeah. Text 3D.
Text to 3D.
Yes.
Okay.
Click it, and then you can choose your image generation tools. Flux. Now you got Flux 0.1.
Oh, here.
And then you can choose to Nano Banana, GPT-4o, or something.
Which one do you guys recommend? I've heard good things about. Actually, hold on. I got an AI.
Yes.
I got an A. LaForb. Which one should we go for with? You know a lot more about this stuff than probably anyone else in this community. So. But Jojo, while I'm waiting for him, like, which one do you guys normally recommend?
We could try Nano Banana. I heard their 2.0 is out.
All right, so we're gonna go with Nano Banana. My AI guru says you don't have Quen. So,
okay, we will add it.
All right. LaForb, they're gonna add Quen just because you brought it up. Okay, so there's your.
Yeah,
there's your
ignore
input.
the image part. Just describe the.
Oh, here?
Yeah.
All right. Adorable, cute, small, ice, vanilla. All right. Quinn will be added. All right. Don't worry, bro. We got you. Or ice cream cone drag. I'm gonna add cone just to see if it's any different. Generate image preview.
Yes, and it will give you the image preview first, and then if you're okay with that, then you can generate multi-view, and you will see. Okay.
Okay,
Do you
yeah.
like it?
I like it. I
Do you
like
like
it.
it?
I like it. I like it. Chat, do you guys like it? I think I like it. All right, all right. We're gonna generate multi-view. Ice Cream Dragon was a genius idea, by the way. I think Sayuri, that's you were the one who recommended it. It's an awesome idea because it doesn't exist, so it's like it's a good way to test Tripo's imagination, right? Like, oh my God, let's see this. Yes. Okay. All right. What do we do now,
Okay.
Jojo? So we got quads.
Just generate, or do you want to remove the smart little pulley, or you still want smart little pulley? Just to see, like,
Let's just see
full
what it's
version
like
of it.
without it, I guess. So now.
Yeah, and then we can do a smart little pulley one next.
Okay. Yeah. Let's try
Yeah,
that.
just generate.
Yeah, ice cream. Yeah, no, well, Ice Cream Dragon. Like you guys know, that's like it's kind of specific to our channel, honestly. But I completely forgot about honest. Nano Banana is the best edit model you have on the platform. Okay, so we'll probably go Nano Banana for most of our adventures here while I do that. And then as soon as this Ice Cream Dragon is done, we will go to the Discord and open it up so that you guys can join the chat and ask questions and give me crazy things that you want to generate. Just so you guys know, for today, I have been given the powers of God, so I have like all the credits. You can give me whatever ideas you want, and we'll just try it and go crazy with it. So if there's anything, any art you've made, anything you've ever wanted to see, like what it looks like if we just generate it on Tripo, when we get to the VC in the chat, that's your chance to just send it and to see what it looks like. You have a queue of stuff? Okay, bro, Code Commander, all right. We'll get there, we'll get there. And damn, we can already see it. It's actually, so I thought this was just like a loading screen, but it's actually showing you what it's thinking.
Yeah, it's cool, right?
This is the coolest loading screen ever. Because you can just see it. I mean, chat, am I going crazy? This is actually kind of nice, right? Like, because it gives you a reason to feel like, oh yeah, what am I gonna do? Oh wait, our shield is done. Let's take a look. Okay, it kind of lost the design.
It's a little bit weird right now.
Not gonna lie though, the topology is not bad. Like, look at the bolts; they're clean. The topology's gotten way better. I did like how it kind of imagined some of the backgrounds. Textures kind of failed a little bit, but again, like this would be really easy to take into Substance Painter and adjust it by then. But the shape is good. The topology is way better. It's definitely a lot cleaner, but it's a little bit less accurate when it comes to the picture. So not bad, not bad. It's still kind of cool. All right, 62 seconds until we have the new and improved Ice Cream Dragon. I'm excited. A slight smooth modifier maybe to keep the details. Yeah, I feel like I guess this is some advice for you, Jojo. You see how like the default shader is kind of like you can see the edges. It might help you guys if you change the default shader to be smooth, you know? Like, so like this is smooth shading right here, but if we went to flat, you guys have flat, and you can see all the edges here, but you probably want to default it to smooth or to auto or something like that. So that would help the aesthetic of your service, in my opinion. The coat of the arms was torn off the shield along the way, but it was definitely, yeah. It was, and you know what else I'm noticing too while we're looking at this is, it seems like Tripo has a default desire to make things symmetrical. So the same on both sides, which I think is overall helpful. Like you usually want it more than you don't want it. So I think that's a good default. I am curious how it does asymmetrical things too though. So it looks like just still generating, almost though. Yeah, the topo is really good compared to what I thought it was going to be. Good thing we can apply texture separately. Oh yeah, so the separate, yeah. She said the textures can be applied separately. Jojo, you
Yes.
alright?
No, I'm not. I really want to share my screen to you guys right now. I'm not sure if it's the new, like the latest update version that destroys our whole system because the texture is apparently, buggy.
Well, I mean, hey, we're gonna find that out right now. But this is a good experience for you, so that you know what to work on when you release the next version and make sure the textures are actually a little bit better. But honestly, it's doing pretty good. Like,
No,
I'm
it's
pretty
not.
surprised. Really? Okay. Well, hey,
Really?
supposedly it gets better, and we'll find that out soon. Let me read some comments while it's loading. Just me
Let
or
me.
a lot of the content made with AI seems inspired by chibi style. I feel like a lot of the things that I see with 3D generation, they tend to go for more of a soft, like chibi is a soft style, right? So I think a lot of it kind of leans more towards soft than it does like angular futuristic sci-fi stuff. So that might be it, but you can, when we go to the VC in a minute here, you can feel free to throw some more aggressive, sharp angles to see if it can do it, and we will see just how well it does. I want a banana dragon for scale. Okay. All right, let me do the one. Let's do the banana dragon while we're waiting here. One click.
Yes.
Text.
Image. Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Do we want it to be cute or do we want it to be cool? Eager, you're the one that wants the banana dragon. What do you want? I'll just give her a chance to respond here. All right, adorable, cute, banana dragon, small banana. I don't know how to spell banana. Okay, there we go. An evil-looking banana dragon. Make it a cute banana dragon. Okay, I kind of like an evil banana dragon, but all right, we'll go with that. Poly count Austin. Okay. It is taking a little while, so maybe next time we'll put some more in queue.
I just sent you a model link. Via Discord. Could you please open that?
Please
and
open
save
it.
my day.
All right. I will open it.
The texture is like definitely not good. Okay.
Okay.
What does this mean?
It says I have to sign in, so let me sign in real quick.
Oh, okay.
Okay, you guys.
No, it's not.
You guys can check out this ice cream cone dragon in the meanwhile. But all right, hold on. Let me return. It cannot read properties of null ultra. Yeah, it's not letting me go to that link. I'll try click on it again. Okay. I see it. Is this what you were talking about? Yeah, these textures are clean. I don't know how you do this. This is the new
version.
This is the new version?
You are supposed to generate the models like this today, but I'm not sure what happens. And, it's 6 a.m. in the morning, so I cannot call my text. Yeah, I cannot call my tech guy to wake up. I hate it. I hate him. I hate him forever.
Okay, tech guy, RIP. You hopefully you still have a job tomorrow. But if not, like I said, we're still gonna go in and test what we can here. So it's okay. The mushroom dragon, yeah, no, this looks really nice. Like if this is what it's supposed to be, then I'm like, this is like twice, 3 times, like this is actually really pretty. This one's cute, but this one's nice. Like, that's the difference. The mushroom dragon looks nice, right? Yeah, no, but we're skewed. No,
this one is wrong. I don't know what happened. I'm so sorry, guys, but I just called them.
All right. Call them, and it's okay. So what's gonna happen now is I'm gonna move the you and me and Catherine probably are going to go to the VC, and we're going to take requests from our community just to kind of see what they want us to try. I know this is probably an older model. If your tech guys get to us in time, then we'll move to the new model. If not, you guys will see literally the before and after live stream. So like in the middle of things as they're happening, okay? All right, so Jojo, you do have, you did join the Discord, right?
Yes.
All right, so I'm gonna hang up with you right now, and then I will see you in the VC of the main chat.
Okay.
All right, see you there. All right, guys, can you hear me?
Hello, yep.
Awesome.
Loud and clear.
Sounds good. Fantastic. Thanks, you guys, for agreeing to be the guinea pigs for the software. So, let me open the chat and see what you guys have set up to try in Tripo. Hopefully, hey, Game Dev Gary, good to see you, bro. As always, LaForb, much appreciate you dropping by. Okay. Also, yeah, Sayuri, oh, what a rare appearance. We got a lot of people coming in now. Awesome. All right.
No, Royal,
Yeah.
I just queued up all the stuff in your DMs. You probably just want to put it all in the queue in the background.
Okay, let me do that first. We'll start with yours because you got to me first. So, all right. Hold on. Let me. I gotta.
Wouldn't there? One is testing concept art because I wanted to see how well it handled concept art and what it would make of that. The other was just seeing what it'd do with like complex scenes and multiple characters that are close together or like touching each other. And the last few were just really cool images. I thought it'd be cool to see them.
Yeah.
models.
All right. Well, let me download all the stuff you sent because I too am very curious to see how well it does concept art and stuff.
Like, if you, I know you've got the other recording somewhere, but like some of these images, like the concept art was used in the last model, so we can actually do, I think, like a before and after. If we still got that recording somewhere.
Yeah, and I think it'd be kind of nice if we could do hopefully her tech guy answers the phone and we can actually see the new model on this, because I feel like it looks like it would do really, really well if on the new model. I feel like we're gonna get average results on this old model, but we're just testing stuff out. So, all right. Give me 1 second. I'm still downloading. And by the way, guys, if you guys are in the VC right now, go ahead and drop all your ideas in the VC chat so that I can start queuing up, because it does take a while to load all this stuff. So while it's loading, it's probably better for us to have a large amount of things for it to do. Okay. All right, I got all your stuff, Coder, so we're
Do
good.
we need like one good image, or do we need multiple images for like different angles of what we're trying to generate?
That would be an answer. Jojo, what do you think?
What do I think of what? Sorry.
Could you repeat the question one more time?
I just came in.
Okay.
Sure. So I wanted to know, like, I posted like 2 pictures in the chat, but one of the things I thought of was like, so do we need like multiple images of what we're attempting to generate, or can the software only take one and we just need to, I guess, work with the angle of the image that we're using? I guess, if that makes sense. Or can we use like multiple images of the same thing that we're attempting to generate, but like from different angles to like give the software more information to generate better? If that makes sense.
Oh, I have something you can test with that.
Yes. If you're looking to only generate the models based on one image, then that image is better to be front image. But then you can just see the features on our website. If you only give me one image, then we can generate multi-views for you, so that you can get a lot more control on the model generations. Or you can just upload your multi-view versions as well.
Okay, so the software is capable of interpreting like the different angles of like
Yes.
I guess. Okay, great. All right.
Should we just drop out some redeem code or the membership as the benefit, or
Actually, yeah.
apologies gift?
Go ahead if you're in the. I think Catherine said she was going to be in the chat as a giveaway. Yeah, if she wants to go ahead and drop. For those of you who are here in the live stream right now, you are going to receive. There will be they're gonna choose a free giveaway every now and then, and so just be on the lookout for that. But however you want to do it, Jojo, feel free to go ahead and do that. All right, hold on. There's some chats I got. Let me queue up some stuff, and then we are going to. I'll take a moment to answer all the questions. Since we had a bunch of stuff. Yeah, I don't think Tripo's going to be able to take a concept art that already has these separate images, or like all the separate images in one. I'll try though. Let's just see what is going on. While it's doing.
Yeah, I had no idea. I was just curious to see how it behaves, because like when people do AI, they normally how do I put it? They go with the idea of like, hey, let's make it from prompts. Like you do the prompt, it makes an image, and then you make your model. The thing is when people are making stuff, they want a lot of creative control. And I'm personally of the opinion the creative workflow is going to be something more like you either by yourself or you hire a concept artist, you make concept art, and then from the concept art, you'll then use automated systems to either get the asset like 80% of the way or use it to make the entire asset. And so that's why I'm curious to see how it handles this, because I think it's more representative of how AI, like people would like to integrate AI into their workflow. Or at least that's my understanding.
I definitely think that like you have a really good point for that. The creative part of the workflow I feel like is kind of where like a lot of the art kind of comes to life, especially. So yeah, I think that's going to be because the concept artist is usually where all the imagination kind of starts from. So yeah, I'm not sure the best way to set that up, but probably.
I submitted a few images of a gun. You might try those, see what it does.
All right. Let me go ahead and try that. Actually, hey, Coder, here's what it interpreted the what was it, the red concept art?
Yeah, that's not too bad. Like just as a placeholder for prototyping. Can we go underneath and see what it did for the underbody?
Yeah. Let's see. It did imagine some designs here actually, which is actually kind of nice. Even some thrusters, just like compared to the fact that it was trying to work off of like.
Oh no, that was like the worst case scenario. That's like I have spent
from this
that concept I think was made in 5 minutes, 10 minutes, like very short. I'm like, yeah, for a 5-10 minute sketch, that is really impressive.
Here's the other image that we just like.
I
mean, the silhouette from the top actually kind of looks like it. I mean, I could kind of, like here, right? It tried.
This is a rough one.
It
tried with that one.
Yeah.
It failed hard. It failed with that one quite bad.
Okay, dude.
Yeah, it
tried. Hold on, let me. Eager said that she added some stuff too. Oh my god, you guys have so many things here. All right. Let me. I'm curious now. Let's see if it can do these different views, because if it can, that would be really impressive. What happens, Jojo, if you have like 3 views but not the 4th one, right? Because
It's okay. It's still okay.
It's okay? All right, well, let's try this out. All right, so if we have a left view, a front view, and a... How would we upload? How would we upload something like this to Tripo?
I think you should just select it.
So like that. And then if we wanted to add the multi-views.
Multi. Oh shit! Another bug.
So you can't. So it can generate the multi-views for you, but we can't actually set the different views.
I don't think so, but let me just check.
That might be something you want to add later on. Okay, so...
Oh. Just here, one click. Click one click.
Click one click here? In one click. Okay.
No. Click. Okay, you can generate this first, and then I'll teach you how to generate multi-views,
Okay, so let's go back. One click.
Yeah, and clear the
Oh,
image.
here. All right, so we'll do the front.
Yeah.
And then we'll do
multi-views to 3D. Multi-views to 3D.
multi-views
Okay,
to
then
3D.
just upload.
Like this? Okay.
Oh, look at that.
Okay. So let's do the left view. And then I don't think we have a right view, but we have oh, that's the top view. Well, we have 2 views. Is that okay? Will it
Okay,
It's okay? All right.
it's okay.
And let's generate and see what happens. Okay, hold on. I'm going through our chat to see what else. Okay, Pilo Elk. You have been chosen. I'm gonna go with your idea next. Let's go here and image thing. This looks like it's from Pokemon, but all right, cool. So we don't need multiple views for this, or do we? Would that help? Like Jojo, what do you think? Is it better to just do multi-views whenever possible, or? Oh, I think she's away for now. Well, we'll just YOLO it and Smart Low HD Quad Polycount Auto. Sure, let's try this out. See what else you guys have been giving me. I see Men of Culture, Cosmos. Oh my god, that was like one of my first video game waifus.
Yeah, same.
No, all right.
I love Xenosaga.
Let me see if I can put some Cosmos in there. Actually, let's see if it generates reviews. I'm curious to see if it will.
I just want to see if we could do something like.
Yeah. No. Let's see. All right, Cosmos.
I couldn't find any good angles. I mean, the art's pretty old, but hopefully.
Yeah. You're not gonna find art of Xenosaga today. Like it's just
Yeah.
it's not gonna happen. All right, hold on. I've been ignoring the chat for the last 5 minutes. Let's see what's oh my god, everyone's here. All right. I'm curious how well it can create a Smash Bros. Character. Send me a picture. We can try. Let's see. Are you eating more vegetables, man? Bro, I did actually. Before I went on the stream, I had some vegetables. So thank you very much. Vix dude, you sound different. Is this your real? Yeah, dude. When I'm on videos, I'm just having fun. I'm like voice acting for fun, but around here, because I'm just trying to be real with you guys, this is how I sound normally. So, let's see. Why not open source this stuff? That's a good question. You can ask Tripo that when she gets back. Cryptid Mom, Night Diglett Echo. Hey, Diglett is a good Pokemon, all right? What else is it? Oh wait, hold on, check this out, guys. Yo, dude, look at that. Monarch, you see this? Or like, dude, it generated Cosmos' side views. What?
Where? Hold on.
Yeah. The feature, that's the good
for
thing
real?
about generating multi-views.
Look at this. Look, it generated.
That's crazy.
Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
Like what?
Yes!
No way.
What? It's...
Thank you!
Dude.
So if you give us like a sketch or like a doodle, then we will turn, when you
Whoa.
click
Connor,
generating
we
multi-views,
gotta
we will
try
turn
your-
it into
Okay, we
one.
gotta try the
That
jet
was
again.
really amazing, dude.
We gotta
That
generate the
was
side
really
views.
something.
I'm gonna do that right now. Hold on. All right, here's one feedback I'm gonna
crazy.
Here's one feedback I'm gonna give you guys right now. When we're trying to just generate multiple stuff like this, it is kind of annoying how I always have to click this to see my queue. So like, so hold on, let me try this just so that, because now I'm really curious. Okay, we do this, Nano Banana, generate multi-images, and it might actually give us better results. Okay, let me go back to the chat. I was gonna order Cloud Strife model. Cloud's not. I actually don't have a Cloud Strife model. I had an example that I used for display on the facial motion capture shape keys, but it wasn't my model. So, but you can find it if you go to the modeler's resource. So yeah, I'll probably tell you guys where that is later. Yo, Coder, look at this.
Yeah, I'm watching.
All right, let's see how it does. Okay.
That's interesting.
Okay. Eager, it looks like it did try and...
I'm surprised it colored one of the images. It was like, oh, we're going to keep the sketch. We're going to do the same sketch style, red lines with the white, and then it was like, okay, no, one of them we're going to color.
Yeah,
it.
one's colored, right? So I'm not sure what it's going to look like, but it's kind of cool how it imagined what it is. All right, hold on, Eager, your gun's ready. Let's see it. No, maybe not. Jojo. Your tech guy. We
Did
died.
you stutter?
Is it just me?
No, I think it's him.
Nope, it's not just you.
Just got reconnected. I was
Boy,
doing
we're,
robot.
roboting.
Yeah, this guy's turned into a robot.
Worried for a minute there.
I turned into a robot?
Yeah, me too.
Oh shit, hold
Yeah.
on.
Yeah.
Hold on.
I mean, you're fine now.
I'm fine
I
now.
told my mom earlier and had that happen, so I was like, oh no, my internet.
Yeah, I think my internet just kind of fizzled out. But Jojo, I got booted from the website. How do I go back?
I think. Like, let me see. Just refresh the page. I
Okay.
think.
All right. We're refreshing. Is it home or 3D workspace or where is it supposed to be?
3D workspace.
3D workspace. Ah, okay, we're back. Let's click on this again. This is what. Okay. It gave it dark, mysterious bullet energies on the middle.
Huh.
Weird.
It kept the shape. I'll give it that much.
How's the topology look like?
Let's see. The
Just want to
topology.
check. We're on the older model right now, aren't we? We're not on the new one.
Yeah, this is the older model. We have not switched to the newer model yet.
No, I was
I'm
checking.
so
'cause
sorry, guys.
I had noticed that on the older model, you can just see it on their own website. For a lot of like more natural stuff and chibi style stuff, it does pretty good. But as soon as you go to hard surface, it doesn't quite understand the concept.
Yeah.
And then tries applying. I don't know how you call it, rounded surfaces to hard surfaces.
Yeah, no, I think simple surfaces, it seems to struggle with those a lot more. Also, Pilo Elk, check it out. Your idea has come.
Looks good enough.
It's actually not bad. It kind of works, actually. Hold on, all right, let me...
It's actually quite-
It's actually really good.
You could
it's
3D print
usable.
this, like, and send it to somebody. I'm kind of surprised. This is kind of...
Come on.
This is not bad, actually. All right. Okay, hold on. Let me pick some other picture. Okay,
Like Royal, if every
guys,
three,
we're
Josh,
getting
Royal, if you had a 3D printer, people would have so much waste plastic of little things you printed and gave to them.
I mean, to be fair, yeah, you're right. But I mean, I don't know. I know that 3D printing stuff is like one of the new things that they came out with, and I was really excited to kind of see how it would go. All right, it looks like Cosmos is done, guys. Let's go see.
Yeah, it's called digital fabrication.
All right, this is a little bit. This is like PlayStation 1 level poly count, but I feel like from far it kind of looked right, and then you go into the thing, and it's like, all right, it tried. I will give it credit for trying, but definitely not quite as good as the Pokemon or as this one.
Yay!
Yeah. All right.
Still superior.
Yeah. Hold on. Okay. Let me turn the textures off just so that we get a more 3D kind of feel for it.
It does not like hard surfaces.
Yeah, hard surfaces and straight lines seems to be a weakness. It probably does. It does better at more organic, soft-looking things, but as soon as you go to a hard surface, it seems to struggle a little bit there.
It looks like
No,
a
it's
ditto
not.
face swap.
No, I don't think this is the latest model, and I think there is a huge bug right now in our system. Maybe it's because of the latest update. This is literally not good at all.
Hey, I mean, that's
I'm so sorry.
I'm like,
I'm
if
just
it makes you feel any better, most of the people in here work in game dev or have done game dev hobbies at projects, so they are very familiar with going, oh, isn't this so cool? I'm going to share it with people. And then something goes wrong.
and then
they
oh
and then it
no,
crashed.
right?
everyone
Not doing a live stream. Oh my god, no.
Oh, during live stream is when it
Don't
happens
worry, like,
all the time. It's-
no,
No.
we're super familiar with that.
Everyone
and
here understands
actually,
very, very
we
well.
appreciate things like working for real.
Yeah, we appreciate that you were brave enough to even chance this, you know, like, so
Yeah.
don't worry. It's,
Yeah, probably appreciate that.
Because I was too confident because we just updated one and it was really good, and then okay, oh my god, there's a bug. I cannot just foresee.
No,
that.
I will say from experience, if you're showcasing something, having your techies around as backup in the background is a lifesaver for because it almost always happens. Something goes wrong, and they have to do one last-minute fix for 5 minutes, and then everything's perfect after that. I have seen it happen so many times.
Yes.
Yeah, I concur.
I hate it.
That's super true.
Word it
Yeah,
from a coder.
Always hire
A
techs
lot of
here.
techie guys.
Always have the tech guy on backup. So that's a lesson for you guys going forward now. So it's
You're
okay.
surrounded by them.
Literally.
And
I
also,
can't tell you how many
will.
showcases I tried to field as a success manager trying to show stuff to clients and potential clients, and something would go wrong, and I'm like, I really should have an engineer in here to hop in to do this, but
yeah.
oops.
And also, the good thing is that a lot of techies actually love client facing, so it's a win-win.
They love seeing how clients are going to break it too.
I'm like, on the bright side, once you get it working, you can come and hang out again and show off the model working.
Yeah, and then you can show
Okay,
off the
when is
improvement.
it? When is it tomorrow? When is it tomorrow?
Tomorrow, we don't actually. I don't know. I wasn't planning on streaming tomorrow. I might just do a random surprise one, but let's just try 3 more just to kind of see, just so we can see the before and after, so you can you can see what it was like before the model and then the next model, right? So while we're doing that, let me just get. I'm gonna load a few more. LaForb, check it out. I actually feel like it did a pretty good job at estimating what your character looks like.
Let's see. I've used to use Quen for having this multiple view, and it's not doing much. I guess Nano Banana is goated somehow, but as usual, asymmetry is a pain to get right.
Yeah, estimation is always tough, man. But
I mean,
it's all good though. It happens. It happens. But real
I
quick,
had
there's
some-
90 people in the chat right now, which is kind of crazy, guys. Thanks for taking the time to drop by and witness the test of 3D generation software. Unfortunately, it looks like we got the website forgot to set to the latest model, so this is actually the previous model. We will probably do another follow-up video with what it looks like as the improvements have been made. I'm just inputting some of your guys' ideas into the website just to see how they turn out. But yeah, they apparently will be updating their model very, very, very soon, and we will see how that looks. Let me just add a few more things just to add the queue while we're waiting, and then I will read the chats so that... Oh, this is kind of cool. Is this a rock Gundam? What is this, El?
it's a good
It's a dragoon.
It's a dragoon? I don't know. It looks like a Golem Gundam to me. I like it. All right. Let's generate multiple views. All right. While this is loading, let me read the chat a little bit. PS1 demake for Cosmos. Yeah. Let's see. Power says she looks different now. She's Super Saiyan. She upgraded. I think in Xenosaga there was 3 games, and she had a different look in every single one. Let's see. The edge system seems wavy. Yeah, so yeah, Coder and I were talking like just a second ago about how it seems to struggle at straight, simple shapes. It does better when you have mushy things like an ice cream cone or something. But yeah, when you
you basically want like a plushie.
Biomorphic
or,
shapes work better.
Chibis, or those like they got like a sticky cup and you put them in the card like bubbleheads. The spring big bobblehead thing
the bobblehead toys.
Yeah, and basically like bust up bobbleheads and plushie like characters and like gnomes, like garden gnome things, like with big heads, small bodies. It seems to grasp those really well. I don't know if it's been trained on a lot of chibi-like models, but like considering how it always does those ones generally better, and when you give it a 3D prompt, it tends to do them like that. It means it's probably got a lot of its data is probably more on the chibi side of stuff and not so much. It might be, I don't know, it's either training or it's algorithm, but it seems to be lacking in the hard surface and more, I don't know, would it be realistic? Because realistic stuff can be
hard surface is what I would
naturally proportioned, probably be more accurate.
Yeah, I was just to piggyback off that, Jojo. I would recommend not maybe obviously it's too late for the next model, but the model after the next model, I think your database would hugely benefit from like really simple basic machinery shapes and stuff like crates and boxes and skyscrapers or what's that one where it's like
Mecha kit bashing?
no I got like the construction trusses or right like the warehouse.
Actually, I've got some feedback to was it Jojo, if you're listening. So something to note as you're with your business model. On your website, you're showcasing cool characters and cars, and you're showcasing like a lot of the cool like not humanoid like characters you would maybe make like as like maybe like a centerpiece, like either for an ad or for a game character, but it's like a main character. A lot of those types of things people want a lot of creative direction for, and so even if they're using AI, they want a lot of control. That's why I was saying normally they do like a concept art, then have a 3D model. But other stuff like your hard surface and foliage, so that's like gears, cogs, treasure chests, trees, and other stuff like that. As long as they look real or natural, there's people be much more interested in having those generated and having less control over them. So if you're looking to appeal to people who want to pay money to solve their problem, they probably find more use in hard surfaces and environment assets than key center characters. Because if you do the key characters, that appeals to maybe somebody who's doing it as a hobby, but it's like someone doing it commercially, they're going to want a lot more control than what you're probably going to be able to offer for many years.
So I actually have a.
I see that you have an API.
Sorry, go ahead, bro. Sorry, I didn't mean to cut you off.
On the website, if I wanted to I don't see documentation on your website. It says contact us, and luckily, Jojo, I have you with me right now. So what happens when we contact you to integrate with the API?
You can just email us, or I can just introduce you to our team.
Okay, so like, I haven't tried the contact or the API stuff, but so, like once you send an email, then you guys start to get in touch and stuff, and then work from there. That's kind of what it sounds like. I kind of had like another question, but before we move on, because Coder was bringing up something kind of important. Jojo, are you on right now?
Yeah.
Okay. So you remember how we were talking about how like when it comes to it favors soft mushy things like bio-organic, right? I know a guy who specializes in like what we're talking about right now. So these kinds of ultra simple hard surface kind of models, right? Like you can see like exactly how simple these shapes are. They're perfectly straight and stuff like this. I think if you started training your database on these kinds of simple mechanical, like right here, you see how all of these are all straight hard surface kind of stuff. And I think that's what Coder was talking about. Like, it seems like a lot of the stuff that's coming out, it struggles to do these kinds of simple, perfectly flat, straight sort of shapes.
Game-ready environmental assets.
Right, because like, I don't know, does he show this? Yeah, okay, so yeah.
I'd like to expand more detail on that, like just to put in perspective of competition on that front, because technically you do have competition that's not AI. That is, you familiar with Megascan assets from Epic? They're solving a problem by scanning real-life assets like trees, rocks, etc. And then people basically, instead of them having to make trees and make rods, they can, if they're using a real engine, they get it for free, or they can pay for a license if they're using Unity, and they can use that to solve their environment asset problem. Where now, if they need realistic assets. They've already got realistic trees and rocks.
Yeah, true.
So that's what I'm saying. Like you like in terms of people who are willing to pay for this and use it in their games, it's going to be people wanting it for environmental props, not people, and not for stuff like characters.
Characters.
I want it for characters. I'm an outlier.
I personally
making nice characters.
Characters are still important, but yeah, no, it's the hard.
No, this doesn't look right. Oh my god, it's the
new
I don't
model.
think so. No, it's not. It's not at all.
Okay, it's okay. Well, wait, hold on. This one looks somewhat promising from afar. Let's see what this looks like.
No, it's not promising at all. One of our tech lead, I think our head of our tech lead is wake up and probably
He woke up?
He's in the live stream. Yeah, I think he's in the live
Okay,
stream.
alright. He probably woke
Please
up
fix
in the
this,
middle.
please.
Alright, we'll wait. I understand. I kind of my heart goes out to the poor tech lead who probably woke up at 6 in the morning and to an emergency, and now he's like, oh shit, and he's stuck in traffic.
Oh my god.
Oh
my god.
Royal, just pull up the worst model and give him a panic attack.
Okay, all right, let's. All right, Jojo, I'm gonna give you something to screenshot.
Bring back Cosmos.
No.
Royal, go to the concept art. Go to the
Oh
Did something
no.
like that.
the concept art.
The concept art. This
Yeah,
one.
a jet.
Okay,
Yeah.
here we go.
Not that one.
All right,
The other one.
Jojo, just send your tech guy this, and then he'll probably run some red lights to get to you. I'm gonna send this to you right now. All right, you can.
Could you please just give me
Here you go.
the model link? Okay.
Okay, there you go. You can text that to him. Be like, emergency. You need to update the website right now. It's all good. All right. So I guess while we're waiting for the tech guy to have the worst
There we go.
save the day. Yeah. While we're waiting for him to save the day and have all the pressure to fix this, I'm gonna go through some of the chats and stuff and see what we can do. All right, so oh damn, Simu 2076, South Korea, AM 9. Dude, I didn't know we had people from South Korea here. Welcome to the chat. Glad to see you here, man, and I hope you make yourself right at home and enjoy the show. We're literally just we broke the website apparently, so so they're trying to fix it.
I think it's the first time I'm on the other side, right? So I'm actually enjoying this.
It's not you. Yeah, no. It's funny when it happens to other people, but I do feel for them right now. Befuddled has a question, Jojo. Can Tripo do facial rigging? For instance,
No.
Okay, all right.
Not yet.
Not yet, they say. All right. So not yet. Safe Felix, I agree with the feedback. All right, glad to know you have our back, Cyrex. Again, thanks for dropping by. Space Arc. Let me see which. Whoops. Okay, hold on. I lost my train of thought. Okay.
Well, I don't know if you got to see, but I was hoping to see if you could modify a generated mesh with a prompt after you generated it. Is that what you did with the mushroom dragon or the ice cream dragon? Those are prompts, right?
Those are pure prompts. We did not generate them, but I think Jojo. I remember Catherine told me you guys can regenerate a part of a mesh. Is that true?
Yes, if you do the segmentation, and then if you do the segment, you can just recraft here. Down the part right, left side the export, the button. There's a button called recraft.
Recraft. Okay.
No.
I don't have. Oh wait, hold on. I gotta go to my actual. Okay. All right.
Yes.
Let's click the ice cream dragon just because that one's probably the best looking one that we got right here. And then. All right. Recraft. Where is this recraft? Oh, we don't have it. Or am I missing?
Wait, is it the same?
This is actually. I don't think it's the same. The menu looks different.
No,
here.
I don't think. Yeah.
This one looks right. What if can I sign in here? Let me try sign in here. And just so you know, like I said, Jojo, don't feel bad. Technical
bad.
Technical
feel so bad.
difficulties
I
happen
feel so
all the
bad.
time.
Did you feel
Oh
bad?
no!
Like
I
Brandon,
was
by the way.
here to surprise you guys. Not you guys surprise me. Not the product surprise me.
It happens. It happens.
I feel like you're new to how should I put it?
You
Presenting
guys can
software
see the
products.
yeah, and then you guys can see the differences between my dragon and your dragon, right?
Yeah. Yours looks awesome.
Yeah, no, we can. It
Yeah.
is much better. It's much more refined.
I generated the day before yesterday. I don't know why. That's that should be our level, not this.
Okay, well, hold on.
Like, this is what happens. I mean, and there will be another chance. So we are either waiting or joining in another day. So don't worry.
All right, so it looks like I have logged into the official, supposedly the new one. So let's try and what was it, recraft?
Royal,
Yeah,
you
you
have
can
to check the stream back later. Someone in chat is saying careful, credentials are leaking, so you might have to check the stream after.
Okay. Thanks for the heads up, bro. Appreciate it. Okay. Private, yeah, appreciate it, man. Thanks for looking out for me, guys. I'll double check it when we get to that point. All right, so we went to recraft. I think we're here. What do we do? How do we recraft from this?
So if you recraft, then which means if you can make this model one of yours, because if I send it to you, then I decided to share with you, right? And then you can just click recraft, and then this model will appear to be in your assets.
So it's appearing right here now, right? So
for somehow I cannot see your screen. Okay, yeah, it's your model then. So you can check, and then you can just do the segmentation, or do you want to do the retexture?
Let's try the segmentation. So how do we do segmentation from here? Or like, do we have to re-upload it or
just the upper banner?
Oh, I see it. Oh. Okay, so we can segmentate it and start segmentation, I guess. And I have a feeling we are in the new version, like on this one right now. So while it's
I'm not
doing
sure
that,
right now.
I think we might be. So let me check the. I'm gonna generate something while we're waiting for this because.
Can I ask something?
Go for it.
I'm not sure what segmentation is in this scenario.
Yeah, Jojo, could you explain what is segmentation?
Segmentation is you take depart the models, and then if you want to do the 3D printing, then sometimes you need to disconnect the arms from the head, from the body, from the something like that, so that you will do segmentation. Yes, and then you put them together. And also when you do segmentations, you will see some parts if the AI generates the models that are not that good. For instance, the arm is big to the body, and then you can just select the part and then complete the part, and then you can just make up the holes.
Oh, like also you can use it for peppercorn and stuff like that. That's awesome. That's actually awesome. I didn't expect that.
Oh, wow, Cryptid Mom, you have a you sent a really cool looking image, and I'm gonna try and generate it if this turns out to be the new model, because I feel like we could try it out. Also, Loose Out, you sent something cool too. I'm gonna try and upload that too.
I want to insist on something. The generating of the side images is amazing. Like, put that on the front. Make the users see what you're doing when you generate the side views. That's really cool. Like really cool.
Right?
Yeah. This generating from just the original image to this should be like one of the things you show in the next trailer, because this is awesome right there.
I mean, not only that, show it in the UI instead of that VT particle effect. Just show the images being generated and do a slideshow of the side views. Like, show in the UX what you're doing, what you're generating. The users will love that. They will be more engaged on your model.
I think when
Did it.
it was a prompt, it was a point cloud of the mesh being generated, and that was pretty cool to see.
Yeah. Yeah, no, it is. It's like, I don't know. I think that's actually my favorite part of the loading screen is just the fact that it, like, you can kind of see it being, like, thinking of what it's doing while it's also, like, doing that. I'm really curious to see how this turns out segmented, like, because if that works, I mean, that'd be kind of cool.
You and me both.
Yeah, this one, I just generated like the day before yesterday, and I generated a lot of dragons then. I can send you guys the link if you guys want to check, but I don't know what happened today. And I and still think you chose smart low poly for this model as well. It's a really simple model, and then I'm not sure if it works well.
That, I mean, yeah. Well, we'll definitely, like I said, we're gonna just try test it
How
out.
about we remove smart low poly and then just to see if the algorithm went right?
Sure, we can definitely do that.
For the following generation.
For the following generation, okay. So this was a knight helmet, and to be fair, I feel like it did a pretty good. Like the polygon's not bad. It has a few issues, like here and here, sure, but nothing horrible. Like you still have enough 3D model to like. You could fix this really easily. So let's take off the smart low poly and see what it does. Poly count auto generate. All right. Here's another question for you, Jojo. Because as an art community, this is definitely something that people would probably need to know, if in terms of how well and how useful the Tripo would be, like in terms of like production and stuff. Does Tripo allow, like, we can't test this on YouTube because it's YouTube, but does Tripo allow for like NSFW content to be generated?
Yes, if you are a subscriber, then yes.
If you're all right, if you're a subscriber, all right. So apparently, guys, yeah. So if you're subscribed, you can generate whatever.
But you are already down, guys.
Yeah, everyone signed up now. Like, okay. But all right.
Open the gates.
Yeah. All right. It's loading something else now. I think the other ones. All right, 1 second for the segmentation to be done on the other thing. And if not, we'll see what your tech guy does, and hopefully he'll save the day.
In Discord, on the Discord voice chat, Dode I can't spell that out. He's asking how was it trained? What the data was it? Did you buy the data? Did you get it from an open source data pool,
Was it
etc.?
scanned?
I think I have foreseen that this question will come up somehow, but how do you acquire all of the training data is the toughest, business secret of every AI company. And who am I? I cannot just say it out loud. I'm so sorry, guys, but secret is a secret.
That makes sense, actually.
I honestly
every
wasn't
AI
expecting.
company.
Yeah, I kind of wasn't expecting
every
an answer
AI
for it,
company.
Yeah. Unfortunate. Okay.
Yeah.
This is the top secret.
Well, I appreciate that you.
Not sure whether or not the legal rights to the content were acquired before training, though. Otherwise, any user that uses the product, if the source data was it didn't go through those channels, then the end product can't use.
I think
you don't own the end product either.
I think that depends on the country you're in. That legal standing depends a lot on the country. That also that also is a complicated topic people are still trying to answer.
Yeah.
Because AI models are based on neural nets like the brain. So now it comes into question: if a human learns by observing other humans, then is feeding an AI data like how is that different from a human that's observing and
I
learning,
think-
provided it's not putting out the same content. So
I want to
I'm just saying it's
put a bit of a misunderstanding there to rest. They are called neural networks, but the only resemblance is that there's it's connected activation. So like this is my field of study, and they
Anybody else
are
who's deep?
related, but not they don't work the same way.
I would say that like the safest way, like obviously try to make sure that if you're gonna be doing like uploading anything, the safest way is like, so the way that we do it here generally is I make the 3D character for my own stuff first, and then I will create art off of the 3D character, usually training the AI model on my own 3D art. When you're doing something and then you export it to something like Tripo and you just want to like generate pieces of it or something, as long as it's trained off of your own work, I feel like that's usually what we do here. And if the final product is like your own custom character, I think that like for the most part, that's pretty much gonna be okay. But I mean, I think, yeah, if you upload someone else's art and then generate a 3D model without their permission, then I don't think anyone here would like encourage that. So no one's here trying to like take other people's art and do that. Like I said, the way I personally like to do is just create my own characters and then use that to generate pieces of it. And I think for a lot of 3D artists, that's generally like where a lot of it lies. Where like, so for example, if I was doing, I have this character here, right? And this is all hand modeled completely the old-fashioned way, like literally vertice for vertice. We went in here and created this character, right? Now,
yeah, and I agree. Like this is the type of tool that speeds things up. But as soon as you put the product in, like as soon as you take the generated model and put it in a product, as the code of command said, there's some legal jurisdictions where you lose the right to use it in the end product. You can't protect your own end thing, right? So that's kind of the concern. Like, where's the?
I think he's basically asking, like, do you own the models generated?
Because if I were to take my own models into this
from Tripo
and generate it off my own work, I mean, unless I go out of my way to like state that I did that, I don't think anybody would be able to know from the topology alone.
It's kind of like the argument of if you're using a drill to screw in screws into a house, do you own the house, or does the person who made the tool own the house?
Also, I
would like some insight to copyright.
Demonstrating the ability
But
of the software.
but
when you use
what
the
can
service,
we?
you have to sign.
Yeah, but what can we promise is that your input or your models will not be exhibited in public space in any way if you're a subscriber. Then so all the data are fine. It's just you and me,
Yeah, I see that there's a private. You can do it private or public here.
Private, yeah.
So
You can make it private.
So if we do it
And only
private,
shared by links.
so if we do it private, it doesn't show up on the front page of Tripo, basically.
No.
Okay.
It
Also, real quick, just because it finally uploaded this part completion thing, so I can see that when we separated it, now it has all these different parts to it, right? And
Cannot. Okay.
and so you're saying that we could like go into one of these parts and then just regenerate just that part?
Can you still go back into the segmentation banner? Like, on the top, generation overview, segmentation, retopology. Click the retopology. Yeah.
Here?
Yeah. And then, yeah.
Refine. Okay.
So you can see all the parts are being separated, and then you can use the brush to brush off the.
What brush? Oh, this brush?
There is a brush icon, that.
Right here?
Yes, and then you can, just do the segmentations. You can just choose one color, and then make the parts you want in one color. And then when you export it to the Blender, and it will be coming parts.
Okay, so we have to add a part. We choose a color.
You will have to draw the color from that part first. No.
Oh. So we let's say green, and then we can now color this green or something. Do you guys have an easy way for like it to just drop like green on like the entire part? Like let's just say if I wanted to make everything that is yellow green, is there an easy way to do that with these?
You can select all the parts and then merge the part.
So so if I wanted green and yellow to be a thing, where is green actually?
Just for instance, you can just select on the left side, just select triple part 0. No, the left side.
The left side? Oh wait, okay.
The left side.
I see this now.
The left side. Yes.
Okay.
And then and then merge. Click merge.
Click merge. So if I click this and click this, and then merge here. Okay. I don't super see this
because because the parts is really small. For instance, if you just choose the color that's more obvious, it's the yellow part.
So let's try blue, yellow, green, and we try and merge. I would say I won't go super deep into this because I think this kind of menu needs a little bit more work. But here is what I would recommend. If you guys want to make this like super intuitive and user friendly, what I would do for segmentation is like these parts where you can like do the viewing and stuff. These should be color coordinated to it. So like whatever. Like this part right here, that mushroom, this should be pink on this menu, so you can see what parts of it are there. And
I would have the also inverse, have it where the name is pointed out at the color of the mesh where the paint is.
Yeah, I would say that would be a really good idea too. Also, you know how like if we go to paint. Right? Like, let's just say we have, I'm just gonna do the laziest. It's not what I wanted to do. Boom. This is not optimal, but it'll get the point across. All right. So let's just pretend that this was the model, right? And we wanted to change everything that was green to blue, right? In most software, you can just be like that.
The spill paint tool?
Yeah, like the fill tool, right? So you can literally just be like, oh, I want this part to be the same as this part, and you just do that. It'd be really nice if Tripo had something like that for this segmentation menu. So that's might be some feedback I would give you guys on like how to optimize this. I'll be honest, I'm not entirely sure what this menu here is supposed to be for. I feel like this is the important part because this is where you can actually like make everything visible. So if you guys can make this color coordinated, it's literally called a fill tool, like where you just fill the color. If you literally just probably take this icon, GIMP uses this, Microsoft Paint uses this, Photoshop uses this, Krita uses this. Like if you put a little fill tool right here and it literally like, oh, you just click and it turns everything that's this color to whatever color you have selected, that would go a really long way too. Let's see. I do want to test to see if we're actually on the new model, and we'll probably call it quits pretty soon after that. But real quick, let's go to the normal generation, and we will just try the vanilla ice cream dragon one more time and see what the quality is. Actually, no, let's try something different. Strawberry ice cream dragon.
Did you try regenerating anything?
I did not, but let me try. I'll do that while this dragon is loading. All right, so adorable, cute, strawberry ice cream cone dragon. Let's try that, and hopefully.
You want to try one click? because this won't have texture.
Shit. You're right. It should be one click. What? Whoops. Well, I guess we'll just wait for that to be built and refined.
Okay. It's okay.
No, it's all good. Let me. Man, I'm so behind on the chats. Give me a second. Let me read you guys real quick. Cooper says, I'm curious what the results were without triggering smart low poly as well. Yeah, I've had it on by default. Let me turn it off and see. Actually, I don't even think we have. Oh, wait. The strawberry cone dragon. Okay, sure. We'll generate that. But let's also try it.
I had a question.
Go ahead, Eager.
Who is the one who winds up with the ownership and rights to the models produced by Tripo AI?
Who owns the model rights?
Yeah.
I think it's our users, to be honest, because what Triple does, it's not sometimes people are debating about like AI replacing humans' job, but I think for Triple it's just a generation tools that save you time about it, because we generate the models based on your input image. So if the input image is yours, then it's yours.
Okay, so if I were to, for example, use Tripo AI to generate a model of a fighter jet or a tank, and then it produced it, and then I could take that model and then, I don't know, sell it on a store, for example.
Yeah, it's cool.
Okay.
Depends on you.
That's actually crazy. That's super
yeah,
nice,
it depends on you. And we will never review the model, so you won't find it anywhere on the internet. So do it whatever you want.
I see asset trees. Cool. Asset packs are going to be popping off pretty soon, since you can basically sell it then at that point. That's kind of crazy.
You have to be careful telling artists to do whatever they want.
There are... Okay.
Answer the copyright thing. It is based, my knowledge is based on UK copyright law, but for those of you that wanted to know, if you read the chat, copyright law is pretty standard across the world and most parts treat it the same. That's my interpretation of it. So if you gave AI a prompt and had it make you something, then under at least a UK law, you couldn't really copyright or claim copyright ownership if it was a prompt. Whereas if you had a reference that you had made with like an artist, and then you fed that reference, and you even, let's say, generated, front, back, and sides in Tripo, and had it spit out a 3D model, then while the model itself is a derivative work, and technically could belong to Tripo, even if I'm not saying they do own it, I'm just saying on a legal basis, technically they could, the intellectual property, i.e. the likeness of the characters, that still belongs to you. Okay. And so basically, if they were to misuse or try and monetarily gain from it, let's say resell your model, resell a model you generated, you can now sue them. That's why a lot of people were hoping AI companies were training their characters on Disney or something, because then Disney could sue them it's not the derivative works that the problem, it's for making monetary gain of the likeness of the IP.
Okay,
we actually banned a lot of big IPs as well. We don't want to involve with it as well. And I do find the issue you just brought up, but I think that's still a debating question all over the whole AI industry, not only in 3D generations, but also in 2D generations as well. So I guess it's blurred.
Yeah, it's still being discussed right now. They're still writing laws and they're still figuring out. But what I appreciate though is that you didn't try and dodge the question. You just straight up said, yeah, that's.
It's everybody knows it's blurred. I cannot just say.
I mean, I know that's not. I know that's not the answer that people were wanting to hear. But at the same time, I know I'm not trying to get you fired. I'm really not. So just the fact
I noticed
that you're
that
here.
This conversation kind of derailed into the copyright IP property stuff, but I was more asking about it for selling rights.
Yeah, and she said Tripo lets you if you
commercial rights.
Yeah, if you
commercial rights,
commercial rights, right?
So, based on our policy, if you subscribe it and then you will agree to a policy before, right? And then it says clearly in the policy that you have all the commercial rights if you're a subscriber or you are our API clients. yes, you have it. Even if the model belongs to us based on UK law, then we give it to you.
Very cool.
Yeah.
But so
Thank you
basically,
for
so I
answering
can
that.
actually use the assets generated by Tripo on my game and sell my game without work, right?
And you can
the-
sell it
that's
too.
awesome. That's
Yeah,
exactly what I want.
that's super cool.
Awesome.
Also,
Awesome.
Jojo, I
Yeah.
think you'll be happy. I think we are on the new model because this looks really clean.
I think so as well, because I generated one, just 2 seconds ago, and then removed the smart low poly. I think all the fault belongs to smart low poly.
Smart low poly.
Remove the smart
yeah.
low poly. Yes, and then the models and the textures are pretty fine.
Let me try one of our things again, just to. God, this snake. Oh my god. You know what? Let's try this snake without smart low poly and see what we get.
Yeah, remove smart low poly, and I think the results are back.
Okay. All right.
To be honest, yes.
Let me get back to a couple of the chat. Let's see. It's a cool character. Hey, thanks, bro.
Looks like Spike the Dragon.
It kind of does, right? Like, oh wait, we had some new people here that just showed up. Oh my god, there's so many of you. Oh, Fly Highland. Hiya, what's all this then? Hey, Fly High, welcome to the chat. We are just testing 3D generation software, and there's actually, you guys can't see it, but there's a shitload of us in the chat right now, and not the YouTube chat, in the Discord chat, and they're just throwing ideas for us to try and see if we can make it.
Not had this many people in here in like ages.
Yeah, no, this is kind of wild, not gonna lie. Oh shit, I didn't realize I'm not even streaming my screen here. Let me. It's okay. You guys can see the YouTube, so it's all good. Okay, let me add some other stuff that we've been trying. Let's do the now that we have the new model. Thank you, tech guy. Let's do.
Yeah, thank you, tech guy.
Hey, he made it.
He made it in time. Good stuff. By the way, Jojo, your tech guy should get a promotion. I'm just saying, for saving you guys live on stream like this. Okay, so.
Him?
Yeah, give him a promotion.
It should be me.
No,
I think it should be me.
No. It's give the tech guy a promotion for for saving the stream. All right, because now we're getting like
raising a
results.
villain.
I'm telling you. I will
Your
personally
tech
write
guy.
a letter of recommendation for your tech guy. All right, a little vanilla ice cream. Let's go back to the beginning.
I am like USA rage baiting right now.
I'm just saying. Credit where credit is due, you
Who
know.
who would have thought that the artists and tech guys would side with the tech guy, right?
I know, right? Like, come on. I mean, don't get me wrong, Jojo, we appreciate you, but I mean, you gotta give your tech guy credit for waking up at 5 in the morning or whatever to an emergency and then being like, probably going through red light traffic to get to the office and try and save everybody. Like, oh my god.
I'm gonna stay work from home.
Yeah. No, this is good.
Generate motifs. Okay.
Yeah.
Did we check? Have we already checked the strawberry one?
We can look at it right now. I mean, let's see. We cannot see
I'm nervous.
wireframe. Honestly, look at the detail on that. Yo. Look, it's got scale, like the
Align a little
normals.
bit.
The scales.
Okay, this is good. This is good.
Royal, are you showing the wrong screen?
Am I?
I'm like, or is the stream just, or is it? Oh wait, the stream's behind, isn't it? I forgot. I'm looking at YouTube, so I'm really confused. You're going on about how detailed stuff is, and I'm right now.
Oh shit, you can't see it. Oh yeah, you gotta look at the stream. Tell me if you can see it. Can you see it? The stream?
The YouTube? No, I can see
It's
the
on
YouTube.
YouTube.
It's just a
I want you to
delay. I
YouTube
forgot there's a delay.
All right,
Yeah,
let me-
YouTube is lagging.
Let me show you guys my screen right now, just so that you're not behind, because your voices are with me. So you guys, entire screen, share screen. All right,
Yeah,
can you
because
see my
the
screen
stream
now?
is-
Can you see my screen now?
Thank
Yes.
All right.
Okay, I'm not in the past anymore.
Okay, now you're in the future. All right. Okay. Here's our strawberry ice cream dragon, which It's not gonna lie, it's kind of cute, but look at the detail on this. Look at that, guys. Look at the freaking scales. The cones.
Can you see the normal map? Is there a normal map?
Is there? There are. Look at that.
Oh my god, there's a normal
There's
map.
normal maps. Like, dude, the normal map
That's
alone would be
wonderful.
super ussul, dude. Like, okay, hold on.
You got to check if the new model can handle hard surfaces.
I'm pretty sure it cannot, but we will try. Let's try.
Yeah, the prototype.
Because I feel like
surface.
the training is not going to be different, but let's see. Let's just.
Well, just retry cars. You know you wanted.
Retry
I'm
what?
curious if it's.
You can generate multi-views based on this picture, but remove the adorable ice cream. Okay, now you have a gun with adorable ice cream.
Oh shit! I mean,
Retry Cosmo.
maybe I do want an adorable gun, ice cream gun. You know, like, you know.
I'm not sure.
Okay, all right. You know what would be also pretty nice, Jojo, if you had a cancel button for this situation where we accidentally say yes, but we actually were like, oh no. Let me.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not.
Okay. No more adorable guns. Let's go
Yeah,
here.
a cancel button would be really great.
Yeah, a cancel button goes a long way. Just saying.
I think so, because once you click generate, the API is already calling, and it's already generating. So.
Yeah. We're gonna. I mean, I'm really excited because now that we have the. Oh my God, Igor, look at your snake.
Oh,
Are we getting a good gun?
Look
add a
at
stop button. Make it big and red.
big and red.
Jojo.
Yes.
You can try to do the generate modi parts. No, generate modi views
That's
of
a
the
snake,
snake.
all right.
Okay. Well, I will try the generate multi-parts in a second. Hold on.
That is a block of cheese with eyes on it.
Well, the original picture looks kind of like that too, though. Like, to be fair, hold on. Let me see.
Yeah.
Well, the original
Because
picture.
I want to
Yeah,
be
it's
able to
the-
send
Well, yeah.
RPC calls to the Tripo API. Can I do that?
You want to
Yeah,
do
that's
what?
the Arabian
RPC
sandball.
calls.
Yeah.
I can-
You can just like you can just DM me. I'm my type in the Discord, and then I'll introduce you guys to meet our team.
Cool. Again, yeah, this is one of those things where you have a rare moment where you actually have the ability to literally talk to them right now. So yeah, just DM, see what's going on, and hold on, let me generate multiple views on this bad boy, this rock golem Gundam.
So you're generating it with a high poly version this time?
This is a. Give me 1 second. All right. Let's see here. It's going. Hey, the gun's going. Hell yeah. All right. Let's see. Ice cream gun sounds pretty good. I mean, honestly, I think most people would appreciate an ice cream gun. Like, if you could just shoot at it.
I just want
Shoot at a bowl, and it's just got ice cream. You know, like.
Oh, wait. I know how you'd market that. If you let's say Magnum, right? Actually did like a limited edition. What they do, like a limited edition, like Magnum, right? As in the ice, like the ice is called the Magnum, as in like a Magnum gun, right?
Okay.
And for the ad, they basically start framing it like it's a self-suicide with him putting it in his mouth, and then he bites down, and he's really satisfied. And it's like it's better with a Magnum.
Yo, I mean, there's so many layers to that I feel like, oh my god, but like, okay, dude, it would work. Somebody would laugh at that commercial. Okay. I'm trying Igor's stuff again, and I'm also gonna try generate some of this older stuff here. 44 seconds, not bad. Let's see. Clean background. Oh, Catherine, I didn't know you were in the chat. Thank you for joining. Yeah, so she's given some tips. Clean background is apparently very helpful, which honestly does make sense. Oh, hey, Igor, check out. Look at the character.
Wow.
Wow,
That's
this is
pretty
good.
good.
That's actually kind of cool. Let's go to quads. We are not on smart low poly, and we'll generate.
No. Yes. Okay.
Okay, see how that goes. See how that goes.
I'm nervous. I'm nervous when your click hangover on smart low poly. Please don't click that.
I don't know what it's doing.
It's a bad boy right now. It's a
Yeah.
bad boy right now, but
Maybe have the tech guys go onto that, after the stream is over and see. But
they were trying. They were trying.
hey, it's okay. It's okay. Let me see. What else have you guys? Well, like
Said this
personally.
earlier, but it might be. Sorry.
No, go ahead, Monarch. What's up?
I said this earlier, but it might be I don't know how it would be implemented, but like a feature that would allow for some control over the generation of the topology and like edge flow of like the vertices, edges, and faces. Like for example, I know you could do that with ZBrush in ZBrush when you're using ZRemesher by marking creases, and it'll generate your mesh according to like where the creases are laid out, or even polygroups. Something like that would probably help for a program like this.
Oh, actually, yeah. I will give some specific advice on that. But I do think if you had more control over like how the topology gets created, Jojo, that would be super cool. Yeah.
Yeah, like I'm not saying like, because obviously if you're a 3D artist, you're probably going to have to go in and like do some manual work because like the AI probably won't do everything like super perfect. That'd be like an amazing product if you had that. But just to like get like maybe 70, 80, 50% of the work done to make our lives easier when we have to do that manually.
Yes.
Let's see if I can explain that with an image.
Okay, while you're finding that image, Eager, I wanted to just let you know, Jojo, you're redeemed. Look at the vanilla ice cream dragon now.
Thank you.
We have.
Thank you.
It even added the freaking vanilla to the tail, like a McDonald's flurry or something like that. So let's check out the normals on this. Oh damn! Look at the untextured. Like.
This is out of this world, man.
This is.
That's amazing.
Do you guys want to do the magic brush? I think that feature is, it's there, but just a few people know it. But I think it's really, really interesting.
What is it? What is the magic brush? I've never heard of this.
Go to texture part.
Texture. Okay.
Texture.
Okay.
And then just choose magic brush. Left.
Magic brush.
Left side.
Okay.
Yes, and so now you have a vanilla with a ice cream cone dragon, right?
Yeah.
How about, do you want to make it stay the mesh, but do you want to make like a purple magic, something like that? Just put your prompt here. You will stay within the mesh, and then you can just change.
So we can change the color with description.
No
right
way.
Here.
No way.
Not just the color, and also the.
No way you're doing this.
What?
You're
just try.
Okay.
Anything. This is the default, right?
Oh, okay. So this is the default cream body. Let's
yes,
go with.
This is the default one. So you can just change it, change it to the ocean one, ocean with
ocean magic fantasy.
Okay.
Dream
with
colored wings.
This is the magic brush. Do you need to be in paint mode for this to work?
Do you have to be in paint mode for this to work?
Oh no, I think it's for free.
It's just texture mode. Okay. And let's see, galaxy, space.
Color base.
Colored eyes. We're gonna give it something crazy. All right. Texture.
Just okay. You have to do the 3D model texture generator first.
3D model texture.
Just so you know, Royal. Just so you know,
The-
you typed chord eyes instead of color.
You're right.
Yeah.
You're right.
Armored core eyes.
Armored core.
Yeah, it's okay. Just do the 3D model texture generator first, like 3D model texture generator.
Where is that? Like here?
Upward.
Where am I?
Above the magic brush. Above the magic brush.
Above the magic brush. Oh, this first.
Yes. Generate texture first. I'm so sorry.
Okay. I lost
So
my
this is
Galaxy
for
description.
this step is for the build and refine. So if you build and refine, you have ideal mesh. So you can go to the texture part and then generate the texture first.
Well, this is kind of cool because you said that not a lot of people know how to do this. So I am really excited to kind of see how this works. So we'll give it a little bit to load while I read the chats a second. PWX9000 got fires Rubicon. Yes, my man. Hell yeah! I'm so glad more Armored Core players is always a good thing. First Armored Core game at age 80, bro. You salute to you, man. Hats off to you, and thanks for joining. It's good to have older Ravens here. So yeah, badass. All right, Igor, what were you saying? Sorry.
Yeah, I sent you a picture in the Discord chat about what I think could be a helpful way to have topology manipulation in Tripo AI. If the user were able to just paint some lines along the shape to command Tripo AI where the edge loop should be sometimes as guidance, that would be good.
Oh, okay, I see. Jojo, do you see the chat? Do you see Sairi Artie's image?
Yes.
Do you see how there's red lines along the legs?
Yeah.
It'd be really cool if some, obviously this is like probably a later on down the line, but it'd be cool if like the user, you know how we can adjust the texture after the model is over, and we can fix it afterwards. It'd be really cool if you could do the same thing with the topology. Like if you're not happy with the topology, you could draw some lines where you want the topology to kind of show up, and then it would start to focus and make those things like more flat. So just
because there's already a brush feature that works. We saw with the segmentation thing, and if you could utilize that technology for topology too, it could be quite useful.
Yeah, I'll. Sorry, go ahead, Jojo.
I'll take the note. No, I'll just take the note.
Yeah,
you know,
take notes. Yeah. I'm sure you have a lot of notes right now.
My responsibility. Yeah, my job here to bring all of your guys' feedback to the team, and then we deliver.
Yeah, no, and that's that. We're excited about that, so thank you. But yeah, we're just giving you.
Because I feel like that's something that a lot of the 3D AI generated.
And then go to the magic brush. Okay, now you have the texture. Yes,
okay,
and then just enter anything you want.
Okay, I'll type my thing. But sorry, Igor, we cut you off on accident. Go ahead.
Yeah, I was just saying that if you were able to have this topology manipulation feature in there, this would bring this AI above all of your competition for other 3D CG AI generated content, because other tools do not have this kind of technology yet.
Oh.
That's true.
Right.
Absolutely.
I mean, there are other pieces of software that can do it. Like ZBrush is a good example. Like, if I couldn't do this directly in Tripo AI, I would probably just take my model into ZBrush and do it that way. But just sometimes I don't want to like break my flow state. Some artists call that when you're just working and you don't want to like stop or like change programs. You just I guess just get as much done at once before.
Guys, they have a Godot add-on as well.
There is a Godot.
They got a Blender. They have a Blender and Godot add-on.
We have it. We have the Godot add-on.
That's awesome.
Ooh, that's good.
Haha.
Going to Godot. All right. That's actually all right. W for you guys on having the Godot add-on, because a lot of people here in the community.
We have Cocos, we have Godot, we have Comfy, we have Unreal Engine, we have Unity, and also Blender.
Hell yeah! All right.
The tutorial. Where's the documentation? Please.
I'm gonna send it to you right now. I'm so sorry.
Okay, yeah, you can be sure that Skies will probably cover the in tutorials at some point.
Really?
Yeah, we could work out that. I wasn't planning to do a video this month, but maybe next month, yeah, because this month's almost over. So I honestly wasn't even planning to do a live stream, but because like you and Catherine have been so nice and kind for like the last time we worked together, I was like, you know what, let's go ahead and do this because I think it'd be fun, and I know that a lot of people here in the 3D community would really, really appreciate just seeing like, okay, well, how does it work? And also like just, I wanted to give you guys a chance to get feedback from, the actual community.
You need to move the creativity strength to 1.
So
you have to give AI the power.
Oh, I didn't
1.
give it the power. All right, figure with magic,
Yes.
fantasy, purple body, beautiful galaxy colored eyes. Okay, all right. Let's generate.
You can see that he's already and the eyes are already generated because the eyes are blue right now. Eyes are purple right now. Can you just see?
I see it. I see it.
If you want to change, if you want to change the whole color, and then you need to give him like a more specific prompt, like turn the whole body into.
I see it.
And then use the magic brush. Just paint it on the model left side.
Wait, how do
paint
like
it
here? Like
yes,
left
paint it.
side.
Start painting.
What?
Then painting.
I can just apply the colors like this. So
you can just yeah.
Oh wait, hold on, wait. Can I?
Something I want to bring up that to expand on something Sayuri mentioned was where Sayuri is talking about like being able to draw over an area, then do retopology. I'd say take it, if it's possible, a step further. So something you may want to look into and pay attention to are agentic coding workflows. Because while code might not be art, they're already having to not solve, but like they're having a similar thing where one of the very important parts for an AI workflow isn't actually always to have prompt the AI and have it do everything for you. Sometimes what the user wants is to be able to highlight the section they want to change, and then when they prompt the AI, it only changes that one bit they've highlighted. So for example, on the dragon right now, let's say like I didn't like the way the tail looked, I could highlight the part of the tail, like all the vertices or faces of the tail I want changed, and then when the AI does like work, it's only going to change the part of the model that I've highlighted, and I know it's not going to touch any other bits in the further prompting.
I think that's called in-painting, at least for 2D images.
That would be really cool
Yeah,
too.
yeah, I'm familiar with it.
I'm just saying, it's like.
I was gonna say real quick, in painting would be huge. It's kind of like the segmentation thing where you can regenerate segments, but like I feel like in painting would be nice if I could just brush like, if I could be like, oh, this horn I want it redone, and then then you just say regenerate the brushed part. Like that would be really cool without segmentation.
Yeah.
I will say, all right, so Jojo, here's some constructive feedback on this team. I love the idea of it being, of you being able to like recolor it and then kind of do it. The only problem is, unfortunately, as an artist, when I'm trying to color it, right? And then it's like, if I try to move it and then...
Oh, you have, because, the logic here is he generates an image, and then we just reflect the image as the texture of the model. So if you want this side of the model, then you just camera locked, turn to this angle, and then generate the preview again.
It's a projection.
Yeah, it's a projection.
Oh.
Yeah, so if you want the backside, then just turn the model to backside and generate the image again.
I have a question then.
So yeah,
What if I like the entire image and I just want to project the whole thing without having to paint? Like, what if I'm like, yeah, transfer that. Like, is there a button to just say go, like, make it look like this?
Okay, you have a strong point. Can deliver?
Okay.
Yeah.
You have a strong point. You have a strong point.
All right. So maybe Tripo version 3 later on, we'll have this sort of feature. I would say, because like painting it is cool. I love that you can do it piece by piece, especially if you only like a piece of it.
Yeah.
But I definitely think that like this is a little bit unintuitive. Because my first instinct was to just start turning it around and try and painting it, but I have to do this, and then it breaks. So kind of thing when I try it. So I'm not. I know that you said this was super early, so I'm not going to fault you on that. It's clearly a work in progress.
But this feature can work perfectly fine if you got a little bit of mesh on the face. Then you can just just like clean the parts that needs to be cleaned. I think that's pretty good.
Yeah.
Save you a lot of time.
If you regenerate,
have it open right now.
Texture, like you've rotated the model, are you guaranteed that the generated texture that you're using as the brush going to be the same? Like, how do you know that
Good
rotating it will
question.
give you the
Let's
same
just
one?
Yeah, really good question. Let's just try out. I cannot guarantee, but we can just try it a little bit.
Okay, all right.
Turn the model around and then use the same prompt, and then
Turn the model around,
Oh, yeah.
and then use the same prompt, like here, and then generate preview.
yeah.
Yeah. We're sciencing it out. Sciencing it out live, guys, right here.
I had a question about the camera. Is it possible to view the model from an orthographic perspective instead of the actual
Oh,
perspective?
it's the same.
Nice. This is awesome. Okay. Sorry. So yeah. Do you know the difference between the two types of cameras, Jojo, or? No.
I'm not sure.
It's
I'm not
okay.
sure I catch the question.
Basically, so you see how, like, you see my screen right now, right? Where
Yes.
this is I forgot. This is
orthographic.
This is orthographic, which means that perspective doesn't exist. But here you can see now we have perspective, right? Because it's disabled. It looks like Tripo is in perspective, I think, by default. Yeah. But if you wanted to see it perfectly from the side, you would need an orthographic camera so that it's like, it looks, if you were perfectly from the side view, it would look exactly the same.
Yeah.
Okay.
You mentioned when you use orthographic, you can reliably put the front and side perspective as if you were drawing on a piece of paper. And then when you translate it in a computer, you put it on perspective mode, and then you can get the sense of the depth of the 3 dimensions.
You can get it to Blender, download the file, no? How easy is that?
To get it to Blender?
I have the add-on in Blender right now. You have to get an API key, which I guess you get when you subscribe. And
No, everybody can just get an API key. Yeah, and then there's free credits in it, and you can just try out.
Well, how do I get an API key? I need it right now.
Okay, I'm gonna send you right now.
Key gives away. It's right here. All right, so it looks like you just go to FBX and export it, and we set Blender mode, maximum mode, 3ds Max. Let's go to. Oh no! I didn't want to. Yeah, that cancel button. I'm telling you, tech team, it cancel button.
Yes. From point number 2. Okay, I get it.
Is there a way to limit the triangle count? There is. Yes. There is. Poly count. Yeah, you can control the poly count to an extent. So yeah, lost.
Especially when you made a typo.
Yeah, right.
Typo.
Okay.
I didn't mean to. Okay, so
you represented it in a hurry and like, oh no.
Typo.
I mean, it's just a small UI thing, but it's really important.
Yeah, hold on. We got to check out this gnome, the Gundam gnome. Hey, yo, bro.
Hey, that looks amazing.
Oh, nice.
Yo, this.
Yes. Come on.
Yo, this is not bad. What?
Hey, Royal.
What's up?
Retry Cosmos.
Retry Cosmos?
Yeah, retry Cosmos.
You want to retry Cosmos?
Yeah.
All right, hold on.
Yeah,
Cosmos.
Let me just see what Samus turned out first, though. Okay. It's
still
better
not
than
that
like
good,
the other time last time, but yeah, it still needs a little work.
Still, I think it's not the best effort. It's not the best effort of Triple, I think.
Okay, well.
It's still, I think there's some.
We're gonna try it anyway.
Yeah.
We're gonna try it anyway.
You can just
see.
try it, you know.
You know, don't, like I said, Jojo, you're
Afterwards.
fine. Don't worry if it's not perfected. I told you at the very beginning we're probably gonna break it, and that's okay. So this is what
That's how we
artists
find
do.
weaknesses.
Most views first. Most views first.
Okay, Boldy, right? Yeah.
This is the best QA review you could ever get.
Really?
I know. I should probably wake out our product lead as well, because there are so many unclear parts in the UI.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to. Last thing I want to try is the retopology, just to see how it works. But let's just generate Cosmos first, and then we'll try it right there.
I got a question for you, Jojo, with your development pipeline. Do you have people in the company that are artists, or have your own what you call like testing group?
Yes,
that
we
are
have that.
artists. Okay, I was just checking because I know like for games it's quite common to have like a private testing group. And just use like all the feedback that people are bringing up. Like obviously when you have more people testing, things get brought up, but just some of the things like a pause button, since it just sounds like that hasn't been brought up before, I'm just curious if your testing group maybe needs expanding in that area, if that makes sense.
It sounds like your test group is mainly engineers to me. Because I feel like a lot of the things that we're bringing up are more artistic
I think
points.
so, but
yeah.
you know, every time we went on a new update, we will invite some of our community members to be the beta testers as well, and we listen.
Hey, it's okay. I mean, like, as long as you guys are constantly improving and testing it, then like I think that's the most important part. But real quick, before we let you go, while it's generating Cosmos, I wanted to see how your retopology thing goes. So just to keep it simple, I'm gonna try and generate a something easy. Okay, let's go to let's go to we're gonna generate this shield, and we'll do the multi-views. Again, this is like your coolest feature. You should really be. No, I didn't want to. I tried to generate wait, no, it's generating multi-views, yeah. So, all right. Again, the cancel button. I'm sorry, but humans make mistakes, and we do things and say things we regret the next 5 seconds. So, like, that would save a lot of credits, too.
You can generate inside of Blender.
Yeah, that would be, okay. Shield. All right, this is a really nice set for a shield. Let's...
Wait. Isn't the hand what do you call a grip thing? Isn't that the wrong way? That's going to side instead of it's going horizontal instead of vertical. That's the wrong way, isn't it? Or is it the shield type?
The shield. It is going the wrong way.
The thing.
Yeah.
I'm like yeah. I noticed that with the last shield. The last shield had a plus thing, and it was really awkward.
That's true. Let's.
Yeah, for shield, it doesn't understand grips angles on shields.
Let's
try
regenerate it.
Though it's not necessarily wrong. There are two types of gripping the shield. I come to learn that not so long ago.
You could wear the shield like where you're like it's used to like stab someone if you're kind of holding it like you could wear the shield like that, but that wasn't how this shield was supposed to be used. I know what you're talking about.
Yeah.
Hold on, let's try it one more time. Let's see if we can use.
I was going to add that small shields, when you have it with the straps like that, use that to bury on that position.
Yeah, it doesn't seem to understand that, but we'll just go with it for now. Smart. High poly.
I was expecting the grip to look something more like what I'm putting in chat.
Yeah. No, I see what you mean. That would be correct, but I don't think the AI knows that.
The AI wants it to be symmetrical.
That's true. Yeah.
Shields in games though, they come very parallel to either vertical or horizontal, but yeah, more realistically that's the images are more realistic. I mean, real.
Hold on. All right. Real quick, before that, I just need to go through some of the latest chats that we got, because I've been neglecting them because I've been trying to generate stuff. But we'll go to a last round of questions in a second here. Just let me go through these. Akuma WC, can you completely retexture it or just refine it and just? I think you can completely retexture it, but they're going to improve a lot of the stuff as we just showed. Let's see. Micro Bry says, "Hi, curious how it handles images with clear glass elements." We didn't try glass.
Tricky.
Probably,
but I can tell you that.
Go ahead.
It's not good.
Okay,
at all.
All right. You heard from the team. They're working on it. Okay. LeForb said, "Would likely be able to older versions like." Oh yeah, I mean, we got a buddy here saying you might want to give the users the ability to use older versions of Tripo just in case they find a model they like.
We can.
Oh, you can.
We can.
Oh.
We can choose. Yes.
Okay.
You know, there is a red line above generate button. You can choose 3.0, 2.5, or yeah.
Nice. Okay. Well, prayers answered before. Let's see. Gabriel says, this is cool. Creative, try to reduce it, please. It's okay. Spyro, yeah, our ice cream dragons are kind of like Spyro, but let's see. Befuddled, I didn't realize I signed up for an hour upgrade to trial. Expired while I was watching live stream. Hey, no, it's... We're literally just trying to figure it out while we're doing it on the fly. All right, Cosmos from Xenosaga, yes. Okay, it's still generating her, so we're gonna see. That'll probably be one of the last ones we get. It says 1 more seconds. This might be my another real quick feedback. Maybe try and spend a little. It's not super priority, but maybe it might be worth your time to spend a little bit of your engineer's time to get slightly more accurate wait times, because it's been at 1 second for like 30 seconds, you know? And so like, you know, it is a little bit of rough on the user experience when you're like, oh, it says, 1 second left, and then it's like not there yet. So maybe if you guys could make it to where it's a little bit more accurate, that would be probably super, I think people would appreciate that.
I was gonna say, I agree on the user experience side. You're probably better off either making it more accurate or just not telling the user and just having a loading icon that just says like thinking or something.
Oh yeah, just a straight loading icon. Yeah, that would.
Yeah, you're better off just not saying if it can't be shown accurately, I think.
I would agree. Oh wait, hey, we got Cosmos. Everyone get ready. Okay. It looked good from afar.
Ready. Oh.
As you get closer, it struggled.
No, sorry, but it's not the best effort. It's not the best effort. Probably try again. 2 days later. Just gave us more time because they were like the emergency. Fix the problem or something. Just gave us 1 more day and then try it again.
It's okay.
I mean, I could still see something like this being useful depending on like how, your individual skill set. Like if I wanted something quick, like if I wanted the shape,
if I may say
spend like days modeling her, I could totally take this as like a general shape and then retopologize it manually myself, and then make something that's more refined.
If I may say something,
Go for it.
I've been dealing with a little bit with 3D and with 3D assets. But I think it's really useful to use when we are generating images with it, because sketches are like a great way to guide image generation. 3D models are much alike in that matter. So I think a quick rig over this blobbly mess that we have now can still be a great tool to have reference in perspective for whatever pose we might have. As you say, maybe Mixamo is the best tool at the moment, and animating that, posing that with a rig. Probably a more optimized rig than this might ease up the image generation process.
I actually agree. Like there's still uses for it, even if it's not perfect. And yeah, 3D and 2D share a lot of things that I think a lot of people kind of forget about. But yeah, no, that's a pretty good point, man. Real quick, since this is we're running out of time here, I just wanted to share, Jojo, the shield turned out really good. I mean, this makes no sense.
Thank you.
But like.
Okay.
But like the back, like Sayuri said, is trying to be symmetrical, so this is why it's doing that. I think the real shield is supposed to have like, kind of like a coder. The images, you would have it. The arm would go through here, but the AI wouldn't know that, right? However, except for that, this looks pretty cool. Like, if we get the text,
if you want to use it as a base, all you got to do is just fix the back.
Yeah.
My observation is that This AI seems to have difficulties understanding how to do full characters, but it is able to interpret small parts much more effectively.
I think
that's why I kept bringing
props.
the chibi models, because like all the stuff it did really well were basically all like big head, small body, or bust up.
Is
They were
the
all like very
prompt
they were, like-
generation off the table?
And then also the multi-preview thing. It's really good at that. You know what? Just for fun, while we're waiting and wrapping things up, I am going to just add a knight's helmet, just to see, because you know, I'm all about those kind of designs. So let's just go in. We'll add something like this. We'll do the generate multi-views, and the reason why I like this is because there's obviously, you know, like empty holes, and I'm really curious to see how Tripo does empty holes, or you know, like if it actually makes them empty, you know, or whatever. But I do think like Eager was onto a good point. It's really good at like parts, like a shield. This is cool. We could easily take this into ZBrush and retopologize it, keep the textures, and you know, it would still look really, really good. You could even go into Blender and use quad remesher, and then you could project the UVs to save the textures, and this would look pretty badass. Like this, I could see myself playing a fantasy game and wanting a shield like this, and it would look pretty cool. So like parts, yeah, but like yeah, it struggles with, you know, once we get to entire characters, right? And hold on, like yeah, when we get to whole characters, then it does kind of struggle a little bit. That's what I would say, that is kind of the weak point. But to be fair, that is very difficult for most AIs when it comes to generating characters. So obviously you guys are working on it, you know, it's going to be improved, but yeah, that would be like, I would say the average feedback probably from a lot of us here when it comes to things you can work on. But yeah, like organic, you know, sort of like simple pieces, like actually like it did this a lot better when we turned off smart low poly, right? Like it used to be really weird, and this time it actually kind of kept a lot of the straight features. The textures we would obviously need to redo in Substance Painter because it kind of looks more stylized and hand painted than it does like metal. But I mean, again, that's not something like super crazy. Like and there was other parts of it too that I feel like it did all right on. But yeah, no, the one thing that I do like about the new model is it does the details for big shapes really well. Like this is really cool. Like just the fact that you can where to go? How do I get the color back? There might be a nice, oh, it says we're getting an error for trace ID. Okay, so maybe not that one, but can we see the color here? I don't know how to get the color back, but it was yellow at some point. So like, maybe make it a little easier to tell like what's whether the user can understand what these mean. So yeah, solid mode, flat mode, normal map. I'm not sure why it's not working, but it's okay, it's okay. But yeah, so real quick, before we go, sorry I didn't get to like go through more of the more of your guys's, you know, ideas the way I was hoping to. It just, we had so much stuff, then we had technical difficulties, and then you know, it just kind of like got really late. And I know some of you guys are on the other side of the world, especially even Tripo, you yourselves are on the other side of the world, so lining up the schedule was really hard. And I know my moderator needs to go to sleep too, so we're gonna let him sleep very soon. But real quick, since you guys have in the VC chat right here, does anyone have any constructive criticism for anything they would like to see Tripo improve on in the future? And then let's keep it like software related. Like, is there anything you saw that you were like, you know what, I really want to see this upgraded or fixed or adjusted? Like, just if any of you guys have any last minute advice or things that you would like to say as far as improving the software experience, go ahead. You have Tripo literally on the phone with you right now. So everyone just like one at a time, let each other finish speaking, and then Jojo, if you have time to respond to any of them, like feel free to do it at your own pace. But yeah, go ahead, community, take it away.
I noticed that you have enable pose control in the Blender add-on. I'm familiar with the pose control with stable diffusion, so I understand the power of it. As feedback, I like it to be more. I like to see more documentation about it, like be able to pose a rigify rig and then generate a mesh around that pose. Again, I haven't touched it all yet, but that's what I'm wondering right now.
That's a tricky one.
Some more documentation about the posing tools that might be available then.
Because in stable diffusion, they give you can just pose a rig and then it'll generate Mika, I don't know, anything you want in that pose.
Yeah.
So I'd expect
right.
So I'd expect Blender to be able to do that too, and I see that you guys are under development, so I don't know where you are. Somebody might already be doing this.
I think so. Yeah, I think there are a lot of thoughts that we were doing, and to be honest, we haven't talking to the ultimate goal of Triple. We established 2 years ago, and then we didn't want to go for Triple to a 3D AI generation tool at first. We want to do a 3D TikTok. So just I don't know if you guys aware of the idea, because for the thousands of years we are telling stories by telling. So we are hearing the stories or reading the stories, but what if we can experience the stories? That's the fascinating part about 3D, right? Because you can get interactive with the models and the scenes or something. So we want to do a 3D TikTok, and then we just found out that we just lacked a lot of 3D content creators, because there 3D has a entry.
Yeah, you didn't understand
barrier.
how deep 3D was when you started to get into it.
Yes.
Yeah.
It has a barrier. So yeah, everybody can shoot TikTok because they have a camera on their phone. So everybody can be a 2D content creator. So we are lacking all of the 3D content. So we want to build a camera in 3D world that is Triple. So everybody, no matter where you are, young or old, or even my mom can generate a model based on that. So the next step is about we want to implement the game, all of the gaming techniques, and also the animations and rigging, so that everybody can become a 3D content creator, so that we can all sharing and we can all creating and experiencing some other people's stories rather than hearing or reading. That's our ultimate goal, but we are far, the world is not that developed yet. So.
But that's the vision. That's what you guys are hoping for.
That's the vision.
Okay.
It's the ultimate vision.
Sorry, go ahead.
I do have a question. I remember using this website a while ago. I think there was only one problem I wanted to be fixed. It's when it generates certain models, but let's say the clothing and shells get connected together for some reason. Hold on, I get a screenshot. I can either screen share this. I remember generating this a while back. I mean, get a reference to go to how I'm supposed to make my snapping turtle. The only problem was it would just have this connected to each other, and that's not supposed to be like that. But in due time, it should be better, I guess.
Yeah, I think so, because we just updated once, so probably try the new version.
In 2 days.
I think it should be good.
Okay, so try it again
in 1 day.
One
or two.
Yeah. I was just to piggyback off of what the Chris 2004 said. I have noticed that so if we even look at my screen right here, the arm is literally just one connected. Well, the whole thing is connected, but obviously if you were doing a game model, you wouldn't want the arm connected to the leg like this. and you wouldn't want this part of the arm connect. You wouldn't want the gun to be connected. You would want the gun to be segmented. But I have a feeling if we come back tomorrow and we press segmentation, I think there's probably a high chance that the gun would actually be segmented away from the orange part. So so yeah, that's a good point. Like maybe you're just training the AI so that it understands that the hair should not be merged with the armor or the clothing. That would be a really big step going forward.
You mentioned that you wanted to like have people pose with the camera and generate your meshes. Are you aware of MediaPipe? It's also open source, has an MIT license. Well, I'm not sure if it's MIT, but it's open source. And it also has a Godot plugin, web-based. So I think it would be a good fit for you guys to accomplish that goal.
I just thought of something. I'll wait after this.
Cool. Yeah, so like maybe take that down as something you guys could look into, Jojo, for maybe improving your software faster. Because there's a lot of open source tools out there that could probably help you guys get closer to your vision. So definitely keep an eye out for that. I was gonna say something. Our helmet is finally done. But did anyone else have some constructive criticism on anything they'd like to recommend?
Yes, I had.
Go for it.
Yeah, I had something about the. So here on the Discord, I dropped a picture. I think that if you had a tool for while you're painting that would allow you to do straight lines, including snapped lines that are perfectly 45 or 90 degree angles, that would be very helpful.
To line out the geometry.
When you're painting.
Oh, for
when you're
painting in straight lines. Oh yeah, that would be super useful for sure. Okay, so real quick, just to talk about how it handles things that it interprets as holes. It actually successfully made holes, which I'm surprised. Like if you look at this, there are holes. They're not just textured black dots anymore. Like that's actually.
Thank God.
Thank God. No, it worked. All right. So this is one of the biggest improvements I've seen in your software since last time we tried it. Is holes are holes. Because they used to not be. They used to literally just be. And actually, I think I saw it here in the gun. Yeah, like this is just a straight cylinder. So good job on that. Like actually having proper geometry for things like that, and also things like the nuts here. Being like it actually recognizing that these bolts should be, protruding out. That's really good. Let's see. Anyone else have any last minute things they want to say? I have something, but I'll wait till the end.
I
have.
Say.
I'll let you speak.
All right, go ahead, Coder.
I'm just saying I'm typing my feedback to Jojo in the voice chat.
All right, cool. So you can just copy and paste. You can copy it then, Jojo, from Coder when he's done typing.
I will.
Cool.
I will send this to whole 2 hour screenshot, like recording the theme, and make them see it from the top to the end.
Good, because I think they might be surprised as to what we found when we were trying out the software. So
yeah, it's probably going to be good. Data.
Okay, I have another 2 questions, but they should be short and simple. One, do we really need to pay more money for the generate points? I know, like in some AI programs, you have to make an account and you get like a certain amount of credits, and you can some you actually have to pay more money to get more credits to generate more. Well, others times you could do I think there was the one website that was every month I get 100 credits back every month or so. And the other question is later on with the character development thing, would they ever have more details? Because I'm getting a little bit tired of seeing the face detail that looks nice, but when you zoom in, it's just a texture face.
Oh yeah. Do you mean the details in the geometry in the mesh? On the mesh?
I even made sure I try both limited, say writing standards 20,000 quads. Or if I just put auto, I'll do that, but I will still get the texture face still.
Well, that's a little bit tricky.
It is.
I mean, yeah, it's truly tricky, and also when it comes to the facial, like the realistic facial expression, I think it's a little bit tricky in all AI products, especially in 3D, because you got a lot of details and nerves on your face. Yeah, and then we are still improving on that. Each version is better than the former one, so we just need to, stay in tune. Sorry.
It's well, hey.
Well,
Now you know. Now you
You
know
know-
to think about it. Then, like I was just gonna say, yeah, no, definitely. If you guys could have a very clear and concisely explained, just like, oh yeah, this is how things are charged. You get this many tokens a month. It takes this many tokens to generate something on average. Like as long as that's like super clear and transparent at the very beginning, I think that's always, and very clearly documented. That's always super appreciated by people, especially that are considering using your services. So yeah, definitely make sure that's very clear at the front page. I remember, yeah, just reading it's like, yeah, you get like a certain number of, I think, tokens every free month and stuff, and you just kind of use this. Sorry, say it again.
3 months? Is that what you said? We get tokens back like every 3 months?
Or no, I didn't.
Every month.
Every month.
Ah.
Also for Triple, every month you will have like free credits, and then yes, we do. We are a business company, so we need to do the subscription part. But we do value a lot in the community. So based on the community project, basically you have a lot of benefits from that. We will give out free credits if you are creating content based on Triple. And also we have a lot of creator program and also the ambassador program, which means you create something out of Triple, and label it as Triple, and you post it on social media, and then we will give you free memberships. That's like the creator program.
I do want to hope get the generative multi-view as a basic later on in the future. Because there are some things, yes, some of them are mandatory for the upgrade, but I think the general one might be... Well, won't be allowed to upload most, other images, if I'm mistaken?
I was actually... Sorry, could you explain the question one more time? Just so we're all clear on it?
The generative multi-view, I think when I try to upload multiple images, it only allows it to upload only one image. So it's only one side of the view, but not the whole.
Oh yeah, just choose the front side. If you want the AI to generate the multi-views for you, then you just give us the front image. The goal of this feature is to turn your single image into multi-views. I'm so sorry. If you already have the multi-views image on your hand, then just do it and do not use the generate multi-view image, or you can just generate one.
A while ago, but now they just gave me a bunch of extra models, if I'm not mistaken.
So you're saying you already have the multi-views and but you don't have the
You
exact
have to put
ones.
the images in one at a time. You can't have multiple views on one image when you load it in. Otherwise, it'll think that you want that whole thing to be one 3D model at different...
Yeah, that was I was thinking. Yeah, that was my fault. Yeah.
Yeah, it was confusing. You might want to have that written, how to use the multi-views, very clearly, just explain as oh yeah, just give us one image, we will generate the side and the front and the back, right? And also, what you just told us is please give us the front image. That should be clearly stated when people are putting in the image, because I think a lot of artists, our default brain goes to the angled, right? That top down angle image that shows you dynamic. Yeah, the perspective, right? A lot of us will probably think of putting that one in first. But if you really want, if you're actually hoping to get the front view, then definitely tell us very early on so that we know to do that. I was gonna say, okay, I think that's everyone. The coder, it looks like you provided all of your feedback. I see it, and I think Jojo, have you received it? Can you confirm that you got coders?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So,
yes.
Feedback received. And I guess I will go ahead and end with my take on this. I think personally, like most of the community kind of like highlighted what I was thinking. So I'm just gonna focus on like the two things that I think would give you the most mileage and the most advantage in your field against your competition, right? And so number one, I feel like you being willing to do a live stream and literally just allow yourself to get hit with questions back to back to back to back and you trying to respond to I actually feel like, because I don't see Hunyan doing this, I don't see Rodin doing this, like I didn't see any of them literally just offering a spokesperson and then letting us just like break the software in front of their face.
Do a robot again.
Oh no, shit. Can you hear me now?
You got a robotic.
Can you hear me now? Am I a robot?
You're lagging, my guy.
No, bro. All right, I'm gonna turn off my screen so I stop lagging. All right. Can you hear me now?
You're still lagging.
Damn it! Hold on.
I think what he's trying to say is 11100010111.
Shit, bro. Wait. Can you not? Can you hear me
Hold on.
now?
Try to leave and join VC. That should
All
usually
right.
fix it.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Hold on. Okay. Can you hear me now?
Is it a robot community?
Okay. Am I back?
You got us. We're AI.
Am I
We just
back?
wanted to see how it's coming
Shit.
along.
What are you
No, damn it, my internet fucking sucks. My bad, guys. All right. So
Okay, you're good. You're
that'll
good
come
now.
back
You're
on
good.
the live stream. Okay. Let me just say what I was gonna say. All right.
Yes.
Hopefully my Wi-Fi will survive for 5 minutes while I do this. Okay, Jojo, I just wanted to say I think the fact that you are literally just you're open to the idea of coming into an actual 3D community like this and letting yourself be peltered with questions and watch us break your software in front of your eyes and actually take in real feedback from real artists and what we are likely to do and what we're trying to do with the software. I really feel like that gives you a really big advantage over your competition, because I don't see Hunyan doing this, I don't see Rodin doing this, I don't see them offering spokespeople in a live stream and then just watching us break their software in front of their eyes. I don't like, you are literally the first and only 3D generation company that has volunteered to take the risk, and I just want to applaud you for that, because I know that's not easy, and you guys were probably freaking out behind the scenes wondering if we were going to be like, what the hell's going on? I can't believe, right? So I just want to say thank you for taking the chance to just be here directly in the chat with us. And so as far as my personal feedback goes, I think the community really highlighted most of it, so I'll keep it pretty simple. I think as one of our members said, if you guys can manage to give us, the 3D artists, the ability to guide and fix the topology, you win. Like that's like you win. You will just straight up.
Yeah.
There's no competition after that. If you just give us the ability to be like, oh, I don't like the way the red part of the shield came out, redo that part, and then make the topology go horizontally. If you add something like that, your competition is done. There's because that's what we really want as 3D artists. We want the ability to just go in and be like, oh, this part came out right, but I don't really like this part. Try and redo that part of the topology. So
that's because we as artists hate doing topology. So if it can be automated with a little bit of guidance, then you win.
Yeah.
My gold standard.
Wait a minute.
Okay, for now, that's our top priority right now.
Okay.
I assure you that.
Okay, well, hey guys, we might get what we want finally. All right, so
We
cross
did
your
it.
fingers. Okay, all right.
Wait a minute. I just realized, can they generate a whole level?
Environment.
Okay, see you guys next year. Okay.
Okay.
You guys in the spring. See you guys in the spring. We will just shut up and do the work.
I can tell you guys right now, it's not designed for
Thank you,
environments. It's just trained for people. It's trained for characters. It's not trained for environments. We threw an environment into it 2 months ago, and it didn't really do that. So, but yeah. So my number one recommendation is more control over topology. Like use the magic brush and be like, let us paint an area. And then you guys redo the topology around that area. That is that is god tier level tools for 3D artists. Okay, we're telling you that right now.
Specify the surface type. Like this is a hard surface, so paint this so that this surface is hard. So that way you get those really straight 90-degree angles on like the gun, for example, or like the shield.
Yeah. That would be so yeah. Number one recommendation: control over guiding the topology, and it doesn't have to be perfect. Even the best tools available, like right now with ZBrush or Quad Remesher, they're not perfect, but they do give you a pretty good control. And so, number one, more control over guiding the topology would be really, really nice. And number two, maybe just the easiest thing for you guys to do would just be like have artists try, like watch artists try and use your UI like you did today. And it's just like, oh yeah, we were retexturing the dragon and we wanted to make it purple. And I tried to rotate the dragon so I could color the other side. But it'd be like, I kind of wish there was a button that just said, hey, I like that new color scheme. Use that new color scheme on the whole model.
Apply all.
Yeah. So like stuff like that where it's just like making things intuitive. So like, for example, like wireframe, solid, flat, and normal mode, right? Like maybe like, making it a little more obvious, like, what's the difference between solid and flat mode? Or just like having more cues, right? Because like as a first time user, I'm like flooded with all these different like these options, right? Like generation, overview, segmentation, retopology, texture, rigging. I like how you've organized it and stuff, but trying to have it to where the user can intuitively know, oh, this is what this button does, right? Because you probably noticed while we were trying to use the software, I had to ask you, what's the difference between ultra and standard? What is the difference between smart low poly and not low poly? And we realized that smart low poly just doesn't work. What's the difference between high HD texture and non-HD texture? Like, what happens when it's not on auto? And if we just do it on 1,000 poly count, like it should tell you kind of what to expect, right? Because like if I hover my mouse over these, it doesn't tell me anything, so it's really hard for me to know. And the tough part about it is if I guess, like, well, I think smart low poly does this, I have to use credits to find out. And so like when people are using credits because they don't know what an option does, that really starts to take away from the user experience a little bit. So make it very explicitly clear, like what does each option do, right? What does segmentation, like, the segmentation menu, I already, you got me recorded and all that with all my recommendations, but that menu is a little confusing. But I know you guys are still in development and you guys are still doing as, you're working as best as you can for that. So I will leave it at that. So yeah, my two main things are make it intuitive so it's easy to know what these buttons are doing. And number two, if you could if you guys can figure out how to make retopology easier to guide as an artist, then you're going to defeat the competition. It doesn't matter how good the quality of something like Rodin and Hunyan is, if you cannot control the topology, it doesn't matter. Like if that's something that you guys can do, that's your ticket to being important for 3D artists. So that is all I have to say. If you guys have,
I would also say like,
go ahead. What's up, Mara?
I just real quick, I would say is it would probably be like really beneficial to you if you did like more of these chaotic like group sessions with like artists, so you can like figure out what it is like I guess somebody said it earlier, what people are trying to use Tripo for, and then implement just like let people break your software basically and implement what's I guess currently not feasible, like the topology and edge flow control and stuff.
I gotta say, another for the topology, I've spent a lifetime retopologizing bad turbo squid models for clients that thought they could do it cheaper by buying them online. And so if your software had a feature where we could bring in a model that we owned, but it's got crap topology, and just say fix it, that would save so much time.
Oh yeah,
We do have that right now. You know, the whole point that they were doing the smart low poly is we want the results to be pipeline ready, but apparently not, not that good as for now. But we do have a big, we do have a big update on the retopology on December 18th.
December
That's
18th. Okay.
3 weeks later, and then you can just upload your models and then do the smart low poly or retopology inside our website. So I think there is a chance that you guys' demands will be satisfied in December, but let's just see.
Well, you can come back when you have the confidence to re-enter the live stream chaos as you did today and show us when the feature is ready, because we will be, as you can tell, if there's one thing I hope your team learns from this is 3D artists hate topology. We hate it. Nobody likes it. Anyone who says they like it,
now.
you can
I get
ignore,
it now.
all right? Like, just this. We don't want to do this. We just want to make and sculpt cool stuff and have cool textures.
There was one weirdo in here. I don't think they're in the VC right now. But we do have one weirdo that like treat topology.
It's
and
Clyde.
also his Discord.
We don't listen to him.
I get upset when I'm
Boyle,
walking down the
I like
sidewalk
topology.
and notice a slab that's got more than 4 sides.
Yeah, no, it's obviously all right. Some artists like it, but you don't have to listen to those. So like, anyway, yeah, but yeah. So I hopefully, again, Jojo, I was gonna go ahead and wrap it up here and just say, hey, again, really appreciate your bravery for coming out. I know it wasn't easy.
It's my honor.
And it probably was. Hopefully not your. Hopefully we didn't scare you. So like next time.
No, you guys are too kind. To be honest, you guys are too kind. Your community is awesome. It's awesome. It's my honor.
Well, hey, all right. I'm glad to hear that. And again, thanks for all the members of the community for coming out here on Discord and just taking part of the experience and for all the constructive criticism. Like I said, we might actually get what we want, guys. Like this is why I even allowed us to have this event, is because from my perspective, it's like we have basically a 3D software developer who is trying to figure out ways to make it better for people like us. And this is all of our opportunity to really just show them how it's done.
Well, there's also something to highlight here as well. So far with your direction, this very much feels very similar to was it people when they try to make something for everyone? You highlighted it that way. You were like giving you like mom or something good type of prompt to make a 3D model, which is nice. But a thing for everybody is a thing for no one. So if you can identify, which the guys like highlight, this seems like the retopology is their biggest issue. If you can find like the one thing for a niche community, it is far more valuable to your product and will get you far more brand loyalty and far more paying customers because you're serving a need in that area. So I would highly recommend you look to solve that problem first before trying to appeal to everybody.
Okay.
Yep. All right. So with that being said, I can see you guys in the chat. You're saying say the thing. All right, don't worry. I'm gonna say the thing. I just need to leave with one quick thing in the chat. Tripo has offered you guys in my community some perks if you want to sign up. Let me see if I can. If you guys want to use their software, then there's going to be some easy ways for you to get some free things. And as we all know, free things are great. So just let me drop it here in the VC, and then I will also drop it in the YouTube chat. Let me see if I can do that real quick, because I think anyone who has stayed around this long, you guys deserve to be, have some awesome little snacks and anything that, other people are not going to have who are not here in the live stream. So yeah, I just dropped, Tripo gave me a reference link that you guys can use. And if anyone uses this link, you will just get 500 free credits off the bat when you try and generate your own stuff. And if you use my discount code, which you can see, it's just Royal Skies in all capital letters. You'll get 60% off your first month if you guys want to start using the heavy duty stuff here. As we have learned in the live stream, maybe wait 2 days to get the nice upgraded model before you start using your credits and doing stuff like that. But yeah, if you look in the chat right now, you will see the links that you can use to try Tripo out for yourself once they've gotten a few of their bugs fixed. And yeah, that should be good. I didn't drop it in the chat. Oh, I have to press enter. Okay, all right. So, all right, with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and close it right now. Again, thank you everyone for being here. Jojo, Catherine, it was a pleasure finally meeting you guys in, well, I mean, talking in real life. You guys have been like literally text messages up until this point. Thanks for the community. And if you fix everything in December and you wanna come back and let us know, definitely just hit me up on Discord or Twitter, and we will be happy to break your software again and try and do something and show you what's up. So yeah, all right, well, I'm gonna go ahead and end everything now, but hey, everyone here, please have a fantastic day, and as always, I'll see you around.